Howdy, 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 y'all. How's it going today so far? Hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying yourselves, and, you know, overall staying safe. Paul Winner the Gamer, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy, I'm Bulby. We're here having a chill time tonight and staying wholesome with an S to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? All right. One last thing of me calibrating, and then we should be good to go. Feel free to call me Pa. You're doing kinda good. How about me? I'm doing fantastic. Hope you are having a great time. Morning, evening, wherever, whatever it is, wherever you are. All right. Let's tag this in. Alrighty, so until we get any sort of like queue for song requests, before we get any queue for song requests, I'm gonna leave us at like this vibe for now, just for a bit, and then we'll see how things go. But yeah, welcome y'all. Hope you guys are having a great day. Sorry? Nah, it happens. Pa, you're hanging in there, you're having a good time. And that's all I can really hope for anyone here. We're here to just vibe and stuff, you know? Cutie Volpe, cutie Skycer. How are you doing, Skycer? Oh my gosh, I've got like the 2 meme photos from that one time when we were in that one world, and I'm really hype about that. But yeah, so today, I mean, for myself, I've got like an assignment to do later on in the day, but I felt like waking up and doing a nice chill stream for the boys. At least, make sure you guys have a good time, right? Oh my gosh, my avatar is still set up for my other content, which I'm planning on making a video after stream today. I just need to figure out what I should do it on, you know? Doing great, working a lot, but you should be asleep, but nah. Gotcha. I mean, what time is it for you? You're like Pacific, so that's already 3 a.m. That's pretty late. If you're planning on getting some sleep, you might want to do so somewhat sooner. Who knows? There we go. Now we're comfy. Hey Volpe, how are you, cute bean? I'm doing fantastic. How about you, Goth? How are things out there in the future? Looking good, I hope, right? Other content, you need deets? I mean, if you need deets, Skycer, you should check out my YouTube channel, my Twitter, or my TikTok, and you'll see the type of content I've been doing. I think you might have seen it already, but, you know, I've been having fun doing, like, video editing, and I figured out a way to do it 10 times faster. So instead of taking me, like, probably an hour to make a video, it takes me around 5 minutes, which is definitely optimal. You're okay? Just chilling with a stiff neck? Gotcha. Well, you know, you're hanging in there, and that's quite fantastic, you know? It's awesome. But yeah, make sure you get that neck, like, rested, but keep it moving as well, because, like, having it be stiff is gonna be pretty rough, you know? You need advice on that, lol? You're trying to branch out? Help me up? Okay, for sure. I mean, for me, like, I'm pretty new to, like, using Adobe Premiere Pro, so it's a little, I'm still working on that, like, learning curve where, like, I know how to do things, but I don't know how to do those things faster. Like, even just 2 days ago, I figured out how to, that there's a button that just, like, automatically turns captions into text graphics. When I was originally taught how to, like, just make the graphics themselves and then time those to be in time with the captions, and then, like, have that set up manually. So every single time there was a line that was spoken, like I'd have to like manually add in the caption. But I don't need to do that anymore. And then there's a few other things I don't need to do, but you know what happens. So if you're quiet, you're just a little shy, hey, it happens, it happens. Bywinner, we are here to make sure everyone is doing absolutely as well. And so, you know, if you're staying a little quiet, no big deal. Feel free to chill along with the stream and hang in here, you know? I think the best thing about when we do streams here is that, you know, if you feel like resting or taking a load off or something, you can just take that time and feel out the vibes. Make sure you're doing well. It's important to have that, what's it called? Emotional support through line, right? But yeah, oh my gosh. So yesterday, if you guys remember, we were doing some anime music quiz with like Zero Alfeem and Guardian at some point. Okay, so that anime music quiz has kind of reinstilled me like with the wants and wishes to watch a lot more anime, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. In terms of time, it's probably a bad thing, but in terms of enjoyment, like I kind of miss it a little bit. But yeah, you already love it here and you weren't here for long. Yeah, it happens. We're here to vibe, right? So it's how it goes. It's how it goes. It's how it flows. It's how it knows. Zale0089, thank you for the follow as well. Howdy. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Alright, let me move that aside. Make sure this is open. And let me go to history. And I'm just going to open that up real quick. Perfect. People who understand my usual stream schedule are going to be like, what the hell have your streams been recently? I don't have a schedule, okay? I apologize to anyone who hopes that, like, someday I'll get a schedule. I do too, but, like, so long as I'm waking up at random times, at random days, like... Yeah, we got narcolepsy moment, AO boys. So it happens. But I decided, you know, might as well go for a stream because like there's not really too much else I'm doing with my time, and you know, I really would prefer to hang out with you guys than, you know, take care of like the morning of lying in bed, like maybe like listening to an audiobook or stuff. That's not me. That's not me. There we go. Yeah. So I guess it's like a Monday now, huh? How are y'all doing today? What you guys got on the docket for this week? Because I know like Mondays can be pretty hit or miss, right? It's the start to like the general work week, but at the same time, you know, some people like prefer Mondays because, you know, it means that you're getting off your butt and seizing the day, making sure that you know, make the best of it. I myself, like, I definitely have a pretty long week this week because, you know, along with assignments and work and stuff, it's also another week for me doing some job interviews, so it should be pretty fun. I think I got some high hopes for this week at least. Should be good. Probably. Possibly. But yeah, I think so in terms of the overall like vibe of me doing like these like 7 sins kind of vibe, the 7 deadly sins kind of vibe. Hey Bobby, how are you? I'm doing great. How about yourself, Derpy? You having a good time today? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, cutie? No, you. Very cute yourself. You had to talk with your boyfriend all week and you're excited to get to talk to him? Nice, Pa. That's fantastic. That's a wall. Oh my god. Let me just turn off the light, you know? Then it'll be cool like that. You're cute. Hey, you're not cute? No, you're cute. It happens. It happens. But in terms of the 7 deadly sins kind of vibe I've been going for, we've reached gluttony, and I think nothing encapsulates that gluttony more than me deciding, hey, I'm gonna engorge myself and hanging out with some cuties like Derpy over there, and you know, taking that over anything else. I think yesterday was definitely more of a slothful day because I wasn't too up to streaming, but at the same time, you know, I felt like doing something, you know, something fun, something relaxed, something that just works. But that's just how it goes. It's how it goes, how it flows. You're not cute, you're adorable. Oh yeah, you are. Absolutely adorable. Couldn't see you any other way. Hey? And Goth, thank you very much for the hug as well. You're pretty valid yourself. Probably. Possibly. Lately you've been playing on Sims 4. Oh yeah? How's that been, Goth? I mean, like, you haven't been, like, around. You always come in, like, as I'm ending off and stuff, so, like, yeah, I haven't been able to, like, keep up with you and stuff, but how's The Sims 4 been? Been treating you well? Hopefully? Probably? I hope. You booped me? Hey. Derby, I mean, everyone deserves some boops every once in a while, right? It's a pretty good vibe. It's been good. Made a gay couple. Yeah, that works. That works. Sounds like fun though. Quite brilliant indeed. What are their names? What type of lifestyle do they have? Do those two have any like cool jobs or stuff? Like, tell me some more lore. I may or may not be a little bit invested in their lives, you know? Hey, Nyan, your Sim 4 households were the gayest shit you've ever seen? Oh my god, it happens. And hi, Nyan, hey, I understand things and stuff. I hope you're doing well. I'm glad that you're around and stuff. I'm always here, don't worry if it happens, but yeah. I care about you. You're doing good? That's nice. That's awesome. It was really fun doing the dungeon with you for a little bit. Took a while? Yeah. Hey, you just need to take whatever time you need, alright? If it needs to be longer or shorter, that's good on you. That's very important. Just know I haven't made any changes whatsoever with respect to you. Alright? I'm taking your wishes into my own heart, okay? So I'm holding on to it. Is that Marie? Or Marie? Marie 641,203. Thank you for the follow. Howdy, howdy. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time tonight and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? You made one guy the stereotypical gay guy, then the other one, you made him like more alternative grungy look with the pink hair. Gotcha, gotcha. So one's like that cool like alt vibe, and then the other one's just like, yeah, I'm stereotypically gay. Are they like Twinkie or something? That's probably stereotypical, right? You're hoping you can get your bunny protogen avatar done soon. Oh really? How's that going? I mean, are you enjoying like the vibes of setting it up and stuff. Because wow, bunny projet, I've not seen that before. How does it look? Oh yes, get a new avatar right now as well. Yes, and Pim, hello, Velpy, hi, howdy. Oh my gosh, Pim, can you give yourself a shout out, please? Ooh woo. Just because you were a bad pistachio mustache yesterday. This is your this is the constellation that you have to deal with, okay? Let's say it's pretty flamboyant.
Hey,
I got you.
You should totally hydrate. Like, right now. Do it. Hydrate.
That a cutie? It happens, Kevin. Is that a cutie right there? Let's do this hydration, okay? Skycer? Can I get a shout out for Skycer after this as well? That'd be fantastic. Skycer trying to flex?
I'll be clipping
Skycer can flex, sorry. Oh my gosh. There we go.
Matthew came wandering over to the bar and greeted you both with a beaming
No,
smile.
nah, Skycer. You deserve this.
You
It's important that you catch up and surpass me because
he sunk my balls.
that's just the vibe you're gonna go for. He sunk your balls. He sucked your balls. It happens. What did you do? You did villainous stuff, and it happens. Alrighty.
I don't think before I speak.
I got you, Pim. I got you. Damn. Well, it happens, Pim. It might have been 2 days ago. The days are kind of blurring together for me, so maybe I'm just small brain. Trobo, you're doing fantastic. That's fantastic. That's amazing. That's awesome. Yeah, and Pim, you missed it. What? It's whatever happened when you woke up. Whether it was yesterday or the day before when you slept in. No, when you slept in, bro, something like that. Fox for the win. Yeah, Skyzer, you'd be all about foxes, wouldn't you? Damn. Your OC is currently a gotcha club character your friend and you made? Oh, gotcha. Because why not? And your OC's a femboy? Uwu? Fantastic, you know? I myself am a little woof woof yip yip, you know? Yeah, that's how it works. Oh yeah, you had to hide in your closet? Yeah, exactly. Because you slept in like that. Because you did that kind of vibe, you know? That's why you had to shout yourself out. It's perfectly reasonable, it happens, but, you know, you gotta pay reparations somewhere. More cuddles for Volpe? Perhaps. Seems pretty nice. You're welcome, Jamel, out of points? Oh my god, Kevin. Wow. Don't worry, I'll get those back to you soon, probably, I think. It happens. If you want to see, I can send you over Discord. You don't mind? Yes, absolutely. I like really like to see or something. It could be fun. It could be enjoyable and stuff. Could be great. Yeah. It happens. Y'all are fucking. You're great. Yeah, you're tired and running on 2 hours of sleep. Oh my gosh, Pim. Hey, it happens. Thank you. Thank you. And you spent way too long in VR chat. Oh my god, Pim, you're so bad. What the hell? The thing is, at school, you have to hide away that you're gay furry because people get bullied at your school for being gay, and you get bullied more for being gay and a furry. It's horrible. Yeah, I getcha. Hey, school is fucked up, but you know, you kind of like, you should almost be done it, so that shouldn't be too bad. The thing about it is that it's just like, school is the place where you build up resiliency. I was talking about this like, I was over like on Keith's stream. Don't mind me. I'm fine. I'm cool like that, right? You know, it happens. I think it was Keith, right? And they were talking about like how they were talking to Skycer, and Skycer was like, or they're talking about like how, oh my god, I wish. Can you help me forget like the years of like my childhood and stuff? And I'm just sitting here like, bro, you know, it builds up grit. You know, like you become a bigger person from having to deal with how awful elementary is, you know? It happens. Non-furries are cringe. Imagine being a normie. Ayo. Me and my boys hanging out with the normies. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, I got you, don't worry. Don't worry, Goth, I got you. Probably. Possibly. Middle school was awful for you, but high school was fine. Yeah, for me, like the worst of it was in elementary, like probably grade 1 through 6. But then things slowly got better, 7 and 8, and then from there 9 through 12 were just prime years of school. I really liked my high school. I was like into like a bunch of like different like friend groups and stuff, so it was always fun. Oh my gosh, this is Game Dev Tycoon, boys. Oh my god, you know what I forgot to do before starting the stream? Forgot to go in and check on what's it called? Creo. Hey Pim, would you be able to say hi to Creo for me? You had to grow into your features? Yeah. Basically me as well. Oh my god, your beans are red? I love them. Give me one lickies. Oh my god, bro. Here's some good red beans, okay? Happens. Is this becoming a Fairy 4 years ago. You're fitter, happier, and less of an arsehole. Ah, I got you. You used to be that way. It happens, Kevin. Not too big a deal, though. Hello, Yaveen. Yo, Wolfason. Howdy, howdy. How's it going today? Wolfason. Good value. How's your day going so far, though? Welcome, welcome. Why am I yelling at Creo? No, just say hi to Creo for me. Don't worry. Derpy Dirk, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy. I'm Volby. We're here having a chill time tonight and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Your day's going well? That's awesome to hear, Wolf. Absolutely valid. Oh my gosh. We also have the one and only the gay 556. Hi, howdy. How are you doing today? Beans of a cutie? Maybe a bit. I'm not trying to be cute or anything. I'm just trying to, you know, share some cute things that that happened. It happens. Don't worry. And Nikita, howdy, howdy. How's it going today? Thanks for the hug again, God. Value. You're okay? Been unwell? Are you doing okay? Derpy Dirk? Oh my gosh, there's so many derpy dragons around here. But Dirk, how have you been doing? Are you doing okay? How about myself? I think it's going good so far. I woke up, I checked on 12 stream, said howdy and stuff, and then I talked about anime for a bit, and then I came live. So I think so far so good. It's been a good day so far. Yeah. Volpy's always cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it happens. Probably, possibly. I don't know. It doesn't happen. It's just not me. Nope. Yeah. Good. It's 6:25 right now. Gotcha. Yo, our clocks are in alignment. It's 6:23 a.m. for me. Pretty high. Beans aren't cute on their turn on lol. Perhaps. But you know, I won't say. Anyway, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go shower. You're stinky. Oh my god. Derpy Dragon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. Oh my gosh, you better go get a shower, you stinky dragon. Damn. So rude. For you, yes? Alright, Dirk. I got you. Well, you know. Kinda cute. It happens. It's 8:23 at night for you? Oh my gosh. Hey, you still have a little bit of time left to go, you know? You got a good vibe. And Sen, thank you, Pam. Oh my god, yeah, oh my gosh. I should have said hi to Creo. Oh my god, I'm so bad. You're Australian? Oh my god, you guys like yell us Aussies and stuff, you know? So are you? Oh my gosh, both the Derpy Dragon and Dirk are in Australia. Damn. Hey, it happens. Perfectly reasonable, perfectly valid. You guys are cool like that, right? Two Aussie derbies in Volby's stream? Who would have thought? Not me. There we go. This should be fine, I think. Probably. Possibly. It's weird saying your name. I got you. Well, Dirk, don't worry. It happens. We're here for you, okay? And whether you prefer me not to say your name or you prefer me to, I'll respect you, don't worry. Don't worry about the points. I'm just happy to be here. I mean, Kevin, we refund almost everything. Almost everything. There's one thing we don't refund, and that right there is when we discriminate against Zero, because Zero has too many points, and they aren't even number 1 anymore, but they still have too many points. Oh, someone else going by Derpy. Got you. Yeah, sorry about that. It happens. Guess it's just the timing, right? Alright, be right back. Yeah, go Stimky. Stimky, you gotta get your shower or something. But thank you for the work. Enjoy your fluff times. You trying to say something, Pim? Trying to say something cool? You're being a good bean, right? Hopefully. Enjoy devouring your cake, okay? Could be fun. This is the Gluttonous stream after all, right? Oh, you prefer being called Derpy? Okay, yeah, no worries. I'll call you Derpy and I'll call the other one Dragon. That'll be fine. Probably. Potentially. But yeah. Or I'll call both of you Derpy and you'll just have to guess. That'll be funny. I think that works. So I know this sounds weird, but I still can't get over how cute you are. I'm just a fops. It happens, you know? We're here to relax and just feel all swell and the like. I think that functions as intended, no? And femboys are hot? Oh my god. Yo, femboys are hot? Then why don't I get any femboys talking to me? I wish I could talk to some hot boys, okay, bro? Zach the Blueberry, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, I'm Volpy. We're here having a chill time tonight and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for following. How are you doing today? Or thank you so much for popping by as well. How are you doing today? My mind is just like messy and filled with like thoughts of cute femboy foxes, so things are hard to think of right now, you know? Kevin thinks the same as well, yeah. I asked for hot boys and you came in, lol? Oh my gosh. Yo, are there hot boys now here? Oh my gosh. Hello, Zach, hot boy. How are you doing today? Femboys are God's gifts for the people who don't like girls. Ayo, it happens, it happens. Femboys are cute. You know, it happens. Perfectly reasonable. Yo, Danny, hey, howdy, how's it going today so far? Welcome. It's also been a while since you've been here. How have things been? And Yeti, hot boys, yeah. Could you imagine like hot boys in your area, just like being there?
The fuck are you doing, you silly fox? Hydrate, motherfucker. Drink some fucking water. God damn.
Good. What about me? I'm doing very fine. I'm doing excellent, I think. Probably. Possibly. Alrighty. Well, hydration-wise, you know, around these parts, we stay hydrated together. It's just as important that you guys stay happy and healthy as myself. Got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking, so feel free to tag along and let me know. And let's go right ahead. You just woke up, Danny? Oh my gosh, that's wild. Did you have a good sleep then? Restful, hopefully? Why am I cute? Zach, I don't know. I think cuteness is in the eye of the beholder, so why do you think I'm cute? Because I myself, I'm at a loss for words. I'm not cute, it happens. Yeah. Your mic's gonna arrive by Friday? Yo, let's go, Pim! Congratulations, you're now gonna be all mic'd up and ready to go. I'm just like imagining Pim just like there with like the backstage mic, just like holding the clipboard and just ready to like set people off onto stage, you know? Femboys do be pretty cute, just a bit. A tiny bit, a bit more than tiny, but you know, a lot. No, your room's too bright, kept waking up and your neck hurts? That sucks, Danny. Hopefully, like, you know, next time you get some sleep, you know, it's not gonna be as bright. But, yeah, the neck problem is probably gonna need a little bit more support. Asana has 3 boyfriends, your favorite is your femboy? Oh my gosh. Value, Kevin, value. Him can wait, yeah, him can wait. But they can't possibly wait. Him is going to die if they wait, so it better come sooner. There's a group in VR chat called Femboy Foxes? Really? Maybe I should apply. I could probably pull it off, maybe? Who knows? Maybe. You have to. Oh my gosh, Pim. Pim, don't die, okay? I don't want you to die. Plug-in hybrid bro. Dragon Fox? Oh, so you are a dragon, eh? And you are a fox. Yo, dragons and foxes go really hard, and both of them are really, really hot. Thank you. I already have a mic, but you wanted one with the boom arm. Got you. I mean, you can always buy a boom arm separate, but it does seem reasonable that you want to buy one that has one already. I see it, Pim. I got you. You're not cute, Zach, it happens. That's what all the cuties say, right? We'll plug you in, dang, bro. Damn. It's gonna be bright AF because it's summer in Finland. The sun nearly never goes down. Yeah, I guess that's what happens when you get up close to the Arctic Circle, especially in the summer. But, you know, just imagine if you were like down in Antarctica and it'd be like your winters, you know? The sun never coming up, bro. Be kinda sus. It's 3 AM your time right now? Lol? Oh my gosh, chill. You at the West Coast. How's it going over there? You having a good time? Welcome otherwise, right? You're just sitting at your window, watching, waiting. Nice. How's that going for you? Guess you got 4 more days to go, right? Good luck. You got this. You're in that group? It's a good group? Nice. Yeah, I could pull that off. Maybe I should apply to join or something, you know? Maybe. Cute. Yeah, exactly. Zach's cute. It happens. Kind of a vibe like one of your friends. Wouldn't be surprised if you know them all. Oh, yeah? Maybe. Who knows? I mean, I don't know too many people in Finland, but I might know a few. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe. Yeah. Hi, Cutie Volpe. Hello, Cutie Vaughn. How are you doing today? You having a good time so far? How's your evening going? Oh my gosh, Cali temp is perfect right now. It's perfect. It's quite brilliant. I think it's about time to swap stream category. For the time. There we go. Now I can match things up. Hope everyone here has a wonderful Monday. You gotta run, but also the new emote is adorable. Yeti, there's a new emote? Bro, did I add a new emote? I don't think I did. Maybe I should add a new emote though, because like I got a lot of like content now. Maybe I can add the Volpe beans emote, like the toe beans, because I got some good beans that might be very useful, you know? But yeah, Yeti, stay safe, enjoy yourself, and have a great time, alright? Ciao, ciao. Oh, you're talking about VR chat friend. He's from Germany. then it's probably more likely I know him. I wonder who he is. You also want a better quality mic because your current one keeps unplugging because you move so much. Oh my god, Pim. Pim, stop moving so much. Oh my gosh. Like, you're literally so energetic. You gotta, like, stay back, mellow out, and chill that movement, alright? And Volpe, I'm trying really hard to be wholesome. Yeah, but if the asterisk has to come out, so be it, right? Today's not so good, but it got better after you got into Skyster stream and your stream, so yeah. Well, I'm glad that, like, Skyster managed to turn that around for you, Vaughn. That is really good vibes. I think Skyster might still be around here, lurking. Maybe going to sleep, but maybe lurking. You should check in and at them or something. Say hi. They're really cool. I appreciate Skyster a lot. Good friend. Nice. Get ready, Volpe. Okay, okay. It happens. Slay. Gosh, I think I just fainted because of your voice. Really, Kevin? Damn, I mean, I speak softly, but like, not usually to the fault of fainting, right? Maybe I do have superpowers. More than just the magic, I know. But it happens. I'm just a fox, and foxes have that innate fox magic. At least as Jay puts it. Do I know Heyo Neo? I don't think so, no, Danny. But hey, it was worth a try, right? But if they got a similar vibe to me, you know? Sounds like a cool person. Sounds pretty awesome. If you really want to come, you better go to Fansley. Oh, what's that? I'm not quite certain. Oh, hello, Neo Misha. Thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an S to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? I move it between stream types. If you're gaming, you have it in front of you, and if you're drawing, you move it to your left. Okay, gotcha. It's that ASMR. Oh, I see, Pim. I see. It happens, that happens. It's all about having that soft voice, you know? Not trying to be harsh at all, you know? We just talk and talk and talk. He's cool, very teasing. Gotcha. And you only got 2 hours of sleep today? It happens. Hey, perfectly reasonable. Congratulations on your 2 hours of sleep. Anyway, you're gonna go shower, have a nice stream. Absolutely, Danny. You stay safe, hang tight, and enjoy yourself, okay? Sounds pretty fun. Volve, you're so cute. You're making me blush. Fun. Hey, if you're gonna blush at that, hey, you deserve it. You've had a pretty rough day, and if there's anything I can do for you, I'll try my sure damnedest to make sure that you can turn things around for tomorrow. Search it up, because that's how unwholesome I am usually. Gotcha. Fansley, okay. Gotcha. I just found out about Fansley yesterday. Apparently it's like Chatterbait. Oh, okay, gotcha. Also song request, yeah. We're playing Would You Rather, and I was like, what is Fansley? It's like, oh, you sweet summer child, as a response. Oh my god. Yeah, maybe I'm a sweet summer child as well. Alright, let's check see here. Alright, we do have a song queue starting, so let's put a pause on here and head over here. But Zaylon the Furry, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an S to risk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Because a loud ass drift car? Oh my god. That's why you woke up? Bro, that's fucked up. Hopefully you get some more rest next time around, and hopefully that those dumbass drivers aren't around, you know? XX Eternal Gamer, XX, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy howdy, I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time tonight and saying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Basically, if the queue ever doesn't match the vibes, I may skip your song. Don't mind me, it happens. But it's all about having that curated experience for everyone, you know? I got your best wishes at heart. You're like your bed, like your bed dying to your voice? Oh my gosh, Kevin, it happens. Well, good value then. It's a good bed. The bed's taking care of you. That's fantastic.
Have you ever thought, instead of having an ass to risk, have a glass of water instead?
Bro, I never thought that. Maybe I should. Let's have a glass of water instead of an ass to risk. Howdy howdy, my name is Volpe, and we're here having a chill time, staying wholesome with a glass of water. It's important that you guys stay happy and healthy just as well as myself, so let's drink together. Got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you might be drinking. So feel free to join along. Let's have a good sip. Let's go right ahead. Got some FNAF stuff going on, eh? Twin besties, ayo. Excellent. We're twinsies, ayo. Not knowing what Fansly is. Let's go. I mean, Skyline 33 Midnight Purple, so you're not mad? Gotcha. How's the level of audio for the song? Because definitely it's loud to me, but I'm not sure if I'm setting it to the proper volume for you guys. Oh yeah, Midnight Purple, so you're not mad? Okay, so you gotta see a cool car at least, but still, it is pretty loud. So are you meant to say laying in bed? Ah, I got you. Ah, yeah, it happens. Hey, you're late? Oh, Beam, you're perfectly fine. Welcome. How's your afternoon going so far? You have a giant genre of songs? Of course, Derpy. Value. Put some more songs in them. Everyone should. Get some stuff that's gonna help us keep the vibes going, you know? Sounds good to you? Perfect. Thank you, Alfie. And Athena, oh my gosh, the Alpha Wolf. Hello, love. How are you? I'm doing great. Okay, first things first, can we get a shout out for Alfine? And then when that's finished, let's get a shout out for Athena. Both of those are amazing creators on the platform with their own results, you know? Oh my gosh, Alfine, like, really cute, stinky kitty who, like, they're playing, like, Dark Souls right now, and, like, they're doing really well, and I'm really proud of them because, like, they're really good at it, and I'm appreciative of them, you know? But following up after that, oh my gosh. No show for you all, ignore that. No, Athena does really, really cool content. I mean, oftentimes they hang out with Skycer, but when they do their own stuff, it's really, really cool. Definitely have a soft voice, but at the same time, you know, they spread those wholesome values and make sure they have chill streams, right? And they are a bit of an alpha wolf, so you can look forward to that, probably. Just following instructions. Thank you, Pim. Doing really well. My gosh, K-Will? Damn. But on some K-pop? Bro. Makes sense, Pim. Value. You go from country to heavy metal. Myself, I'm not really too into the country vibes, but at the same time, you know, they can be chill, so I guess it's reasonable. I just find that there's not as much depth into a country song as there is in a lot of other things, and I go for the layers of music, you know?
I have my monster in my hand and I can't set it down because I'm gonna get scared.
You see what I'm talking about? So alpha. Bro, can you imagine? They have a monster in their hand. Has a custom engine, quad turbo V8. Oh shit, nice. Not only does it have a good fade color, you know, like it actually like got that what's it called, interior to back it up. You wanna say I don't spread the wholesome vibes? Alfim. Alfim doesn't, no. Alfim's a villain, you know? Alfim's a stinky ass kitty. Oh my god. Can you imagine being a cat? Like, bro, like, okay, so like cats, like, okay, they're cool and stuff, but like, bro, they're stinky as fuck, okay? It happens. They may think they're cleaning themselves when they're like licking themselves clean, but like, they're just spreading that smell everywhere. So gross. Love wash. Well, it happens, it happens. Do not add song, only music accepted. Ayo. Domdola, take it. Oh my gosh, yes. Excuse me? Alfim, yeah, it happens. Don't worry. Stinky fucking kitty. Bro. Nothing you can do about it. Other than put on your collar and leash. And, you know, let me take care of you. I could do anything for you. Anything you want. Hugs me tightly. Hellmoon, hello, howdy. Welcome, welcome. Cats, ew. I know, Kevin. Oh my gosh, it happens. Because of the video? I got you. I can smell you through the stream. Ooh, Elfbeam, shut up. Okay, I smell amazing, okay? Like, you guys all know that I smell amazing, right? Like, I smell perfect. Perfectly foxy. Just right for y'all. But yeah, it happens. And Trikitsu, hello, first time chatting, and also, oh my god, Flix Quad, thank you so much for the raid. Can I get a shout out for Flix Quad as well? Howdy both of y'all. And thank you for the follow as well, Flix Quad. Howdy, I'm Bulby. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are y'all doing today? We'll need to sniff you to prove that. Gosh, Alfine, well, let's get some good sniffs. You, right? Precious and valuable. Thank you so much. You know, Athena, you know, something from above just told me, you know, just an inanimate voice just told me that, Athena, you are precious and valuable. It asked me to thank you very much. And so, thank you so much. Hello, what's up? Good, you? I'm doing great. What were you up to? Minecraft? Yo, pop off. How's the Minecraft going? Are you playing like vanilla? Maybe modded? Maybe like server? Maybe single player? What's up? Tell me all about it. We'll need to sniff you to prove that? Ah, I got you. Well, Afim, you better do it, alright? Sounds pretty imperative, you know?
Hey, you should totally hydrate. Like, right now.
Like right now? Like right now? Hydrate? Hydrate right now? Like, do it? Alright, I can do that. Hey, Bulby, I returned from my shower. I'm no longer stinky. Okay, well, you're a different type of stink. Probably something a little more pleasantly smelling, but, you know, still stinky. Do it? Okay, Pim, okay, I'll do it. I'll hydrate, okay? Hey, you should hydrate. You should totally hydrate. Yeah, you, yeah, right now. Well, around these parts, we try and stay hydrated together. It's just as important that you guys stay happy and healthy as myself. I got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking. So feel free to join along and have a good sip, alright? Let me know what you're drinking. Let's go ahead. Bumming up, you have a monster? Oh my gosh. Don't drop it now, okay, Athena? Don't drop it. I missed what you said? No, Dirk, I read what you said earlier and it matched the same thing as what you said after, and I was like, makes sense, yeah. Don't worry, no, I read that. I just read it much earlier. When do I get anime and cuddles? Soon. Let's do it soon, okay? I'll be fun. Yes, now. Got you, Flex. Of course, always. Love you, bestie. Of course, Pim. Love you. You're great. You're awesome. You're now a very lovable and adorable kind on Stink. Yeah, exactly. Adorable and lovable. That's how it works.
My eyes are drinking in the beauty that is on my screen.
Oh God, bro, Lost Fable, bro, hey, Lost Fables, hello, howdy, how are you doing today? Welcome. How have you been? You're really cool and stuff and things, and I appreciate you a lot still, and like, oh my gosh, it's awesome seeing you. You're beautiful as well. You're really beautiful. But thank you for the 10 bits as well. Value. Hi Max, howdy. Chocolate milk, XDD. Oh my god, you're having chocolate milk at this time? Nice. That goes hard. Fantastic. And you got Pepsi Eternal Gamers? Let's fucking go. Pepsi gang, ayo. Cutie, of course. Alpine is very cute, Bluebell. But yeah. What do you guys think is better? Given that like some people are talking about Pepsi and Coke, like, is Pepsi or Coke better? What do you guys think? I myself don't really drink cola too much, but I'm always curious because like I don't drink enough to even be able to discern one or the other is better. You got alcoholic ginger beer? Let's go, Derpy. Nice. And you accept being called adorable? You don't accept being called cute? Okay, sorry, Derpy Dragon. You are fucking adorable. Perfectly valid. Perfectly awesome. And Bielmik, hello, howdy. How's it going today? Welcome. Has a Mujuron? Gotcha.
Has consequences.
Cute.
You got your one beautiful fox. Careful now, or I may have to jump through this phone screen.
Oh god. I don't want that, do I? Lost Fables, I'd never call you beautiful if I didn't want you to jump through my phone screen, you beautiful being. And you have Gatorade from work? Gotcha, Kevin. Nice. You're adorable. Don't worry, Turfy. You're adorable. Is there a way to request a song? Yeah, absolutely. So inside the title of the stream, we have the exclamation point SR. And if you type that in chat and then follow it with a YouTube link, you should be able to request the song properly. It accepts anything that is a song. It also accepts anything exclusively if it is 7 minutes or below. So things that are extremely long and stuff, like maybe like 30-minute clips of like on loop Nintendo music, those aren't going to come through. That's just my guard for having like high length loops, you know, because I will lose track of it, you know. Some YouTube ID, you're all, oh yeah. Love you, bro. Athena, bro. Thank you for the 100 bids, but love you too. You're fantastic, Athena. I'm really okay. Athena, I hope you have a good time when you end up moving out and stuff, because, you know, I'm doing the same soon, right? Like, we gotta be twinsies moving out and things. That's awesome. And the YouTube link is song, name and artist, yeah. You have a pretty good song, Lol? Yeah, put it on, go for it. Big sips of Monster? Nice. You got Monster as well. Here's everyone having, like, their own brand of caffeine or pop, right? That's awesome. You don't like you? Damn. It happens. It needs to have a music tag on YouTube, so yeah. You're moving soon too? Oh my god, Pim, you gotta join the party. Ooh, that's amazing. Yes, exactly, Athena.
So you have
W.
chosen death by cuddles, it is. Beautiful fox. My words will always fall short of just how amazing you are and how your light cascades upon this dark world.
Yeah, I'm pretty emissive, of course, yeah. But your light shines brilliantly just as well, and it's amazing. But the Fox song request, it happens. And David apparently doesn't work. It's like song though. Got you.
Rawr.
Rawr. Bro. But Lost Fables and Athena, thank you guys so much for the bits. 10 for Lost Fables and 100 for Athena. You guys are valid as fuck. You're great. Awesome. Thank you so much. YouTube or YouTube Music links work? Yeah. Oh, and Potato God, thank you for the follow. Howdy, I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Same with you, Aspen the Drake. Hopefully you managed to catch that spiel, but if not, I'll say it again. Howdy, I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are y'all doing today? This is good music, by the way, Pim. I think this is from you, right? Yeah. This is Will K, right? Yeah. Hello, yes. Second link says game music video. I got you. Who knows? Find it with the tag then? Yeah. We doing videos now, Merkson? No, bro. Right, bro, you didn't even add a message. But, Merkson, thank you for the gay 500 bits. You're pretty cool and stuff, and you're awesome. How's your morning going? You, wake up well? Did you do too much more after hours work over the weekend? Hopefully not, but you know, it happens. Dearest, you get your shit together? Stream Mom says fine. Yeah, You're doing good? How about me? Potato God, I am doing fantastic. It's great. Yes. How about you should use Nightbot for song requests? I got you. I mean, I like the freedom of permissions I can add to this and not Nightbot, but it happens. I might do so.
Were your parents aliens cuz you're totally out of this world, beautiful fox?
And you're getting up now at 5 a.m. because your body refused to fall asleep last night? Oh my gosh, Esben, it happens. Bro, congratulations. Good vibes, good value.
You're very
Awesome.
cute, Vol.
I have a super cute voice though? No, you. Actually, I haven't heard you, but I can only guess. Because people who call other people having cute voices probably have cute voices themselves. Dang, you forgot a message? It happens, Merkson. Good value though, good value. Oop, well, it happens. And Lost Fables, I gotta say, you are out of this world. Quite brilliant. You're probably from like outside this galaxy because, you know, you're beyond the reaches of fathomability. Cheerwall 500, you're very cute, Wolf. Merkson, you don't do that. Thank you for the 500 bits, but you're fucking adorable, so it happens. So, you know, cuties watching cuties, right? I'm watching you. I'm coming in for you, and I will take care of you, okay? Don't worry. Just, play nice, okay? Play nice. Damn, Twitch told me no more gifts, lol. I was just getting started. Just wait till this weekend when it lets me again. Oh my gosh, Athena. What the fuck? You ran out of the ability to give gifts? That's fucking crazy. But it happens. Thank you for the mention of it though. Value. Hello, GG2K. Thank you for the follow. Howdy, I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Welcome. Howdy. How are you doing today? Oh my gosh, long messages I can't read. Yeah. Volpe's King Bottom BL Magno you. It happens. Volpe, can you please put my song through? It has denied it 4 times. Happens. You can send it to me, but in terms of the queue, like I'm not gonna like notice when it's gonna be and stuff. That's a lot of thinking, but you can send it to me. I'll try and get it in. Okay, don't worry. Switch over to Nightbot for song requests because they had too many issues with stream elements. Gotcha. I have no more after work hours except for other than 6:30 a.m. Okay, got you. I don't know if I've sent this wholesome message here before, but hey there, friendly reminder that you're beautiful beings and all loved and appreciated Make sure you all keep hydrated, stretch, relax, and eat food. Your feelings are valid and are important, and you matter. Don't let anyone else tell you otherwise, not even yourself. Have some Nutella pancakes? You deserve it. Love you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Derby Drake, value. You too, okay? Don't worry. I got you. Perfect. And then last, do you want us to make the switch? I can help you through it. Don't worry, I can take care of it. I'm good like that, Pim. And yeah, you don't know much about this fluff. Gotcha.
Have you ever thought, instead of having an ass
And 6 AM for you right now. Gotcha,
a
Athena.
glass of water
I mean,
instead?
same vibes, but 7 for me, right? Oh my gosh, I'm missing things. Bro, Susukuchia, thank you very much for the follow. Same with Traikitsu. Howdy, both of y'all. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to
You
risk.
stinky.
Thank you guys so much for following. How are y'all doing today? Did I just hear that? Was that from you? Alfie, what, bro? Thank you for the 20 bit, bro. Bro, you fucking memester. You very stinky. You stinky ass kitty. Bro, thank you for the 420 bits. You're awesome. But Alfie, you fucking stink. You fucking stink. Oh my god, bro. Yeah. Like Wendy's? Gotcha. Yeah, I do love Wendy's. Wendy's is great. And Flix Squad, I am doing fantastic. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to catch up. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna have to like make sure I can like keep up with things, you know? Can't stop watching Paul, you're cute, keep getting cuter, bro. Cutie box detected, must pet. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, I might need to turn on like slow mode for like 3-second slow mode. That might help. Ping my DMs, cutie. Okay, perfect. If I manage to check that later, I'll make sure to ping you back or something. Who knows? Right now, your hydrate didn't go through. Oh yeah, hydrate. Yes. Let's go. The timing was really weird, so I didn't catch it. But you know, around these parts, we stay hydrated together. It's just as important that you guys stay happy and healthy as myself. Got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking. So feel free to join along and tag in. Let's go right ahead. LV2 plays the Genki Mojo. Shut up, Beam. You're fucking famous, okay? I can't keep up with you, okay? It happens. Hello, how am I doing? GFX Anna. Wait a second. Oh boy. GFX Anna, account created April 14th. Don't give them the Discord server. Don't give them the Discord server. It happens. Big Zippy's vodka
Each
cruiser,
one of your
nice.
streams is a gift to us. How lucky we are to spend time with such a beautiful fox.
Sorry, you
Oh,
only
how I
drink
can't help but
Bulby
smile
milk,
when you
bro.
stream.
Alfie, what the fuck? You want my milk? I'm not lactating right now, but like, you know, you're kind of cute, so it happens. Don't worry. Drinking some ginger beer this time. Yo, Flick Squad, nice value. What the fuck? It happens. It happens. You're partially drunk, Derby Dragon. Ayo, it happens. It happens. Each one of your streams is a gift to us. How lucky we are to spend time with such a beautiful fox. Oh, how I can't help but smile when you stream. Oh, let's. You come here and you shine your like bright light and shit, right? It's like a laser pointer on the ground. I have to chase it, you know, but like even then, you know, it's like, bro, you're fucking awesome. And like every time you come by, it's always bright times and good vibes, and you always say just the right thing to make me really happy. And I don't know what to say. Like, you're awesome. Las Fables value. Thank you, Beam. Sorry, I had an important call. You're back. Oh, well, welcome back, Wolf. How are you doing today? Again, I think I asked you this, but how have things been since you've gone? I don't know what to say, bro. Athena, I'm heading to bed. Volpe, love you so much. Have an amazing stream and even better day ahead. Remember, you're an amazing being. You're loved by many. Rar, cute
Besides,
being.
I
Oh my
already
gosh.
won when I met you.
Night y'all. Yes, absolutely. Same with you. Mwah, got you. Ciao. Stay safe, Athena, and enjoy yourself. It's better to accept a song by grandson or making Volpe switch to Nightbot. It happens. Don't worry. I'm fine here. I better dance to it. Okay, I got you. Don't 1v1 me, beautiful Vox. Besides, I already won when I met you. Bro, I mean, maybe it was a bit of a tie because I feel like a winner every single time you speak. I need to get food and coffee. No worries, Biomeg. Stay safe, enjoy yourself, and have a great food and coffee. This is really bright in this world. Damn. Hugs the amazing bean. Nice. Well, value. Hopefully you have a good time. You know. Let me just come in. Okay. You're really good. Okay. You got this. Stay beneath my chin. Don't worry. You're safe here, okay? You're valid here, and you're appreciated. So, don't let the bad vibes get you down. I'm here for you. Yeah, don't worry. Volpe can't change the knife button, throw stream elements out of the goddamn window. Nah, it happens. Dirk, you know, it happens. I'm a gamer. I'm professional like this, you know?
Volpe is a cute nerd.
Am I banning a potential bot? Shut up, Pim. Actually, no, yeah, Pim. Ban Nightbot. Do it. You won't. You won't, Pim. Nightbot's getting banned. Got some bad news from Mom before she's got lumps under her breastfeeding, and she might have cancer, which just sucks. Oh my gosh. That's fucked up. Well, I'm glad that, like, you managed to spot that, because, like, that's the first step to making sure that you can do a recovery. So, my heartfelt wishes go out to you and your family, and I hope you guys get through this, okay? If it's bad, things should be good, because you managed to spot it early enough, hopefully. Alright. But yeah. Stay safe, okay? Pride69, Volpe is a cute nerd. Bro, you're a fucking okay. You're a nerd, okay? You're like the secret nerd. You're the one who like is low-key nerdy, right? But thank you for the 69 bits though. 69 gang. Cod Hunter, thank you for the follow. Howdy. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an S to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? I'm allowed to post a roast of stream elements. All I'm gonna say is that can be a bit harsh, and don't mean anyone else here but Stream Elements. No need to roast Stream Elements. Stream Elements is trying its best, and as are all of us, right? And you know, it may have some downsides, but at the same time, at the end of the day, it gets the job done. And there may be problems along the way, but hey, it's all about that determination and getting through things. Same with us. So no need to worry. Stream Elements is good. Thanks, Bean. Of course, yeah. Go, you're raging hardcore. Nice, you got it in. Nice, excellent.
I never understood why foxes are so stubborn, but I know you're messing with this wolf, and he is finna to show you just how beautiful you really are.
Yeah. I mean, I can pull you in, turn you around, and look you head to toe and see just how beautiful you are. And you know, you could probably do the same to me, but I think you're more of a looker right there. You've already seen me, but new experiences are always fun. What are my pronouns, by the way? You can use any pronouns you'd like, but you know, if you feel like having a preference, you can use he, they, or she. It happens. Value. Sending the rose I made as stream elements. Yeah, you can send them to each other manually. Don't send them through the main chat. Don't worry. Thank you. Poor Nightbot banished to the abyss. Oh my gosh, Nightbot got banned. Mason banned Nightbot. Goodbye, Nightbot. You will be missed. Actually, I do think I have integration involving Nightbot if you want to unban them. Merkson, I think I do have Nightbot active. I forgot. I am running something with Nightbot. But it's mainly for my desktop streams, you know?
Oh yeah, nice to meet another any all.
Another any all? Yes, exactly, Esvin. Get value. It's important that, you know, we don't rely too much on, like, tags on ourselves to be true to ourselves, and I think that's pretty good. And then Nightbot, why would you ban Nightbot? I guess, yeah. Happens. You're a good girl.
The best and most beautiful part is the person behind them.
Yes.
A
Thank
reflection
you.
of such wonder and amazement.
You're anyone
A
compliments?
voice and
I'm gonna
melody
get a
unmatched.
nosebleed. Oh my god. Bro, it happens, Spawn. You're really great. But Derpy Dragon's adorable, so it happens, you know? You're a good boy. Good girl, good boy. Thank you. Y'all are really great. You're fantastic. You're brilliant. Yeah. You know, Emerson, you're right. Volpe's voice is so adorable. This song's about titties. Let's go. They've spread the woo vibes 24 times. Woo. Nice. You have college orientation leader energies? Really? Maybe, perhaps. I guess. I don't know. I don't expect to be that way, you know. But I guess it happens. And let's go with your song about. Yeah, we got it. Good for the meme songs, you know. Yo, give me boobies in my face, bro. Let's go. Either boobies or big tits, okay? One or the other. Your nose is now bleeding all? Oh my gosh, Vaughn. It happens. Easy bleedy nose. Hi, yo, Mahuri! First time chatting. Welcome. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Got a run or your boss will kill you? No worries, Berkson. Enjoy yourself. Have a great day and get at him, right? You got this. Excuse me, Volpe. You can't say that? Wait, I'm not allowed to say that? I'm sorry, Alfim. Yeah, I don't want boobs in my face or big dicks. Okay, don't worry, it happens. Make sure you're there on time. Yes, exactly. Some Billy Rubs. Can you, Wolfie? Please. That'd be great. Your reaction to the rose? Nice. Those compliments hit different, bro. Check it, you.
Beautiful
You have no
Fox,
idea.
Remember my truth. The beauty of these words was always the truth of your unmatched light.
Yeah, well, my light may not be unmatched. However, combining your light with my light, they're perfectly out of phase. You can't match me, but together, our light is 0. There's no wave. Perfect dissonance. It happens. Still perfection, though. And you're still just as bright. As intense, I guess. Yes, I do, Volpe. I know you do, bro. Or what happens? Here we go, stop the bleeding. Goodbye. Yeah, I'll see you soon, Vaughn. Good luck.
I prefer dark mode anyway.
Billy Rose. Yeah. Thank you, old face, and yes, you. Shouldn't you prefer dark mode anyway? Yeah. Dark mode here for you, right?
Oh my god!
Perfectly asymmetrical lights 8. I guess that means Los Angeles needs to be here. The only thing you want in your face is Volpe's fur? Yeah, I mean, it's free for you, Alfim. Just need to reach out and grab it. Lie on this soft chest fur. Maybe take a tail if you'd like. Who knows?
They taste great too.
And they taste great too. Nice. Zale, hello, howdy. How's it going?
Yeah.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I don't play video games no more. I never play video games.
Can HSD? Okay.
A little bit of God of War. I never play video games.
You're so damn cute, you flustered, you adorable beam. I'm not flustered. I'm absolutely riveted. My rivets are coming out of the seams, right? They're angry. Yeah, it happens. You're gonna hold me, I'd not be able to let you go. I mean, hey, you can try holding me, but like, just know that my appreciation for you goes so much beyond you holding me. I'm just gonna turn behind you and, you know, let you just lay on my chest, okay? Relax and enjoy the time, you know? I may be right, but it's best not to have that bright light shining in your eyes, you know? Stop the bleeding, Vaughn. Nice value. That's right. Oh, yeah, it's all same facing.
That's it. That's the one. It's on the album.
Yours is long. Yeah, Blake Squad. We got the songs. Ayo. They all come up at some point, you know? You'll be lurking a bit, reinstalling Windows. Don't be too sus without you. Okay, no worries, no worries. You're reinstalling Windows? Bro, what the hell? What the hell? Well, good luck, okay? Stay safe and don't corrupt anything too hard. I'll hold you against the wall and give you some pleasure. I mean, you can do that if you'd like. But just know if you hold me against the wall and give yourself some pleasure, that's what I hope for you. Service top gang boys, ayo. You know, I was gonna do stuff this afternoon, but it appears that brain has stopped working now. Forget what happens, you know? When you manage to figure out what you're gonna do, take your time, get that going, you know? Yeah. Wanna know what I like about 18+ streams? It's better than streams that aren't 18+? What is it? Why, Wolfie, why are you getting 100 asterisk? I don't know, it happens. And Sneaky, ooh, hello Sneaky. Howdy, howdy, how's it going? Hey yo, hey, yes, I'll be, yeah. You gone ones and already sus? Yeah, it happens. 1 second, oh my gosh. You reinstalled Windows in 1 second, bro. Oop, yeah. You keep getting 100 times cuter? Bro. How the hell? I'm just a box. Bon matin, Sneaky. Bonjour, bonjour, comment ça va? Comment est le jour maintenant? Oh, comment est-ce que votre matin maintenant? So we can't talk about when you are in 18+ streams. You're talking about stuff you can't talk about non-18+ streams in your 18+ streams. I mean, that's pretty obvious, I guess, but yeah. The fuck? Yeah, don't worry, Derpy. No brain, just fluking. Not if I give him pleasure first. I mean, you guys don't have to take turns. You can work together at the same time, right? No thoughts. Only Foxo. No brain, just blue. Eat a dick and be on the receiving one in your cake as well in Stream Elements. Yeah, Stream Elements can get fucked, it happens. Don't worry, it's fine. Stream Elements deserves it. They can take a fat dick, it happens. Don't worry, it's fine. Current song? Oh my gosh, Foxy Cat Pet, this is your first time chatting. Howdy howdy. I didn't see that because it's a command. But welcome, welcome. I'm Volby. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Tu es bien? Et moi? Petit bien? Je suis très bien. J'aime ce matin parce que c'est lundi. C'est le premier jour de la semaine. Je pense que c'est génial. Yeah, exactly. And your ass over. Bro, like that happens. What's between those ears? Is it a brain? Just flew? Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty smart though, so don't worry. You guys, you don't know this if you're new around here, but I'm a bit of a mathematician, so I can work those numbers for you. I can crunch them. I got you. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, we got Carol dancing. Nice. It's both of us. That happens. That happens. Howdy, howdy. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today?
God, it's hydration time.
Yep, $20 worth of bouncy balls once. Guess you could say I dropped the balls. Yeah. We're gonna have those bouncy balls different sizes because, like, you know, some of them are always bigger than others, right? And around these parts, we stay hydrated together. It's just as important that you guys stay happy and healthy as myself. Got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking, so feel free to tag along and let me know. Let's go right ahead. For some reason, you remind me of a Happy Meal. Probably because I know you'll come with a toy inside. I mean, to Depends on that size of toy, eh? Understand that I'm not in that circle. Him! We DM'd yesterday, bro. There we go. But exactly. And KMV Fan of Pac-Man, thank you for the follow. Howdy, howdy, I'm Bulpy. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Good boy for hydrating you. Thank you. Maybe a bit. Your risk level is the same number as your IQ, and it's 0. Damn. Maybe you just want to be Riz yourself. Not really too much I can say about you. That head's a little empty, but you know, we could fill that up, right? Casually sips Pepsi Max 1.25 liter bottle. Nice. Liter gang. I love how cute you are. Saw you, I recommended and wanted to show some love and support. Thank you so much, Camby. It's nice seeing you. The chat's a bit horny now, but like, it goes up and down, so don't worry too hard. Thank you so much for popping by, though. 9-inch? Oh my god.
If I could rearrange the alphabet, I would put
I know, you know I'm joking.
together.
Yeah, him, of course. Not too much happening, too. Had to skip a couple sessions due to people being busy, and a party infiltrated Yanti Temple, got into a fight with the Hydra they were taking care of, and the Hydra almost killed the monk and wizard. Wow. That's fucking intense. But yo, the snake ladies, boys, let's go. I may be too innocent, but that was wholesome with an S, wholesome with an ass to risk. It's when you put that star at the end of it, just to make sure that, you know, it's basically there, but like maybe a little less. Volpe, how do you feel about a kind of war question? Go for it. Up to you, you know. It's your job to see how you want to be seen outside, you know? And you're back, the gay, welcome back. Hello, howdy, how's your time gone? Wasn't with an ass to risk. Turn on your captions. An ass to risk. Let's go classic. If I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together. Oh my gosh, you put you and I together? Well, I'd put D's nuts together. The friend randomly asked me to do this today. I got you. I'm very good. Thank you, Sweet Bean. Yeah, of course, I got you. You hang in there and stay safe, okay? Enjoy. You could riz me up. Well, it happens. Wholesome with an ass to risk. Why autocorrect? Yeah. Chat is gluttony tonight. Less was the other night. True. That's why it's boar night. So it came from recommended. Been enjoying the fluctuations between wholesome and horny vibes. So yeah, always. I'm here to make sure to support you guys with whatever you guys need, right? And whether that need be sensual or wholesome, I'm here for you. Good, nice. Okay, awesome. Today, your friend randomly asked me, wouldn't anal beads hurt going in, but feel fucking amazing going back out? Isn't that the point? It's great. Bro, I don't care. I can just be as lewd as my Twitch allows me. Ah, yes. Does that make sense? Yeah, exactly. Goals. Love this song so much. It's a great song. I like it. I'm just wishing someone would put like some Bring Me the Horizon on. Oh my god, I love Bring Me the Horizon so much, bro. Currently jamming to the song. Yes. Hey yo, let's go. Put me 8 inches in you, Puppy, instead of 8,000 kilometers seconds away from you. Oh my god, bro, nice. Don't make me get the brander. Bro, Pim, do you really think they're ready for that? It's gonna be fucking intense, you know? That shit's broken. You did the song, nice flicks. Value. Great song. Such a good vibe. Yes. He's too tame. I'm too tame, but you know, I'll tame you, okay? I mean, I've already taken care of Alfim. What more could you guys pose as trouble? All I need to do is sneak that collar around you and Flip that leash on tight. It happens. Faraya, afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh my god, it's really horny here. I'm sorry. Can I get a shout out for Faraya? Faraya is awesome and amazing and great and awesome. Faraya, how are you doing today? Oh my god. How are you doing, Captain? See? Yeah, exactly. Hearing conceptual non-career folks have things about that. Yeah. Doing good myself? I'm doing brilliant. I'm doing amazing. Guys, it's over here. It's over here. Check out Faraya. Oh wait. Okay. So Faraya does really chill streams. They spend most of the time muted, so there's like subtitles involved. But oh my god, literally, Faraya has the chillest fucking vibes ever, and there's nothing to get in the way. Like it's brilliant. It's amazing every single time, start to finish. You should check out Faraya's streams. They're amazing. I love Faraya so much. It's honestly name my time we became friends on the game. It's been a long time since we last connected. Oh really? Weird. What game is it? Canby? Not quite sure. Which game was that? As far as tame, you're into inflation tentacle. Ah, got you. Well, I'll tame you pretty hard. Make sure to suction right onto you, you know? I'm a sleepy. Oh my god, bro, I'm missing things. Sleepy boy, didn't get much sleep last night. You need to drink this morning, Brown, because last night you were doing a fuck and you're fucking all night long. You were fucking with your ding dong. You fucked in a bed. You fucked in a seat. You fucked in a Labrador in heat. Bro, what the fuck? That's fucked up. It's a good song too. All Time Low by John Bellion. Yeah, All Time Low is great. Thank you for the kind words. Of course, Fry. I got you. Always. Partially drunk, wearing a collar and mute right now, and living out to the music. I'm enjoying this night. Nice, yo. I should put on a collar at some point, but maybe after the stream because like I don't know where it is and the light's off. Checking Fry out right now. Yes, Fry's amazing. And Ritzy, good morning, Volpe. Popping in for a moment before I have to go. Yes, can I get a shout out from Ritzy as well because Ritzy is fan-fucking-tastic. We all love Ritzy so much. They're wild. They're insane. But like, oh my god, they are making it the fuck. This is awesome. Mercy's got this. Definitely not out of the place anywhere. But you're about to go to bed? No worries. Hey, Derby Dragon, enjoy your time vibing until you head to bed, right? It's goals. Oh, this one, VR chat? Oh shit. Weird.
I'm kidding.
I might be dumb then. What's your name in the game?
I know.
Did you get much sleep last night because you needed to drink this morning? Yeah, gotcha. Look, squad. Don't worry, it's fucked up, okay? It's a song? Yeah, it's a song. I know, it's fucked up though, bro. What's the hell? It's fucked up.
Let's see what the chat says right now about that.
Never been bullied so bad you faked your emotions? Bro. I don't think so. See, I'm not very, it's not very easy to bully me too hard, you know? I'm better at bullying y'all, you know? Taking care of you guys and making sure that you guys know your place. Yeah. Indeed, yeah. And Rissy, yes. So many vibey songs tonight. I know, right? Also, a lot of horniness. It happens. You're really horny right now. Valid. Well, take your time, you know? Same username as this one. Huh. Hang tight. Can you redeem a very NSOW song? Go for it. Okay. Where are the K's in my... Doesn't look like it. Unfortunate. Weird. Your mic ship. Let's go, Pim. Oh my god. So you got it's coming Friday, right? Friday. Only 3 months. Thought it was longer. If you know, you know. Oh my god. 3 months from now is... Oh. Did they accept? I'm not sure. Who knows? What mic did you get? Yeah, Pim. What mic did you get? Because you haven't told us up. Yeah. Weird, but all good. Yes, exactly. By the way, Brian, are you planning on like doing any streaming today? Because like I have a long day of doing assignments and stuff, and I'm really hoping that like I have like some chill things to like hang out with. Maybe, potentially. Who knows? I'm just a fox, okay? It happens. I'm just a fox. It happens. Don't be too mad at the song. But like, these songs are allowed, let's go, yeah. If they don't match the vibe, I can still skip them, but yeah, it happens. Yes, I plan to stream today. It's the voice acting stuffs. Oh, nice. Wait, voice acting stuffs. Are you speaking on stream? Or is it someone else speaking? I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know how the voice acting stuff is because I haven't watched your stream, like, at least during those voice acting things, I think. It's mostly when you're gaming or hanging out in VR chat like Soul, you know? Yeah. I always liked how the energy of the room changes to horny. It's a bit infectious. I don't know why, but it's nice when everyone has the same vibes. Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't work if not everyone had the same vibes, you know? Boxing and Major, yeah. Major game. It is a song. Okay, got you. Damn it, Sir Ellen's broke ball. It happens. If the A come on, so you have someone come on and do voice lines while you play games. Okay, got you. Well, I'm hyped to see that then. To know a lot of good songs. I see. Hey yo, it happens. In my homebrew campaign, the party killed a Yugoloth, entered this literally mind palace. Exploring the Mage Palace, they found there was an interesting NPC that's a ghost anthro fox. Okay. And they served the previous master. They got to know him, and they found that pentagram-shaped teleportation circle led to 9 hells, and the pitch of the paladin disturbed and summoned a demonic dragonborn called a V-Shell. Because the party befriended a ghost fox NPC, the fox talked the situation down. Holy shit, that's intense, bro. I love exploring mind palaces though. That's pretty cool. Yugoloths are cool. No fun. It happens every dragon. Okay, so I just listened to that song, and please don't add that song due to slurs being used in it. Yeah, please feel free not to use that song. Which song is it? But it hasn't been added, right, Rissy? What's the name of the song? Just so I can make sure. Yeah, fuck yeah, it happens. Can you play my song, please, Selfie? It's not working for me. I'm sorry. I don't make exceptions for anyone. If it's not working, then it happens. By Huki, I got you. It'll be fine. It's not trust. Okay, cool. It wouldn't work. Okay, perfect. The team. Oh my god, bro. Nah, it happens. Oh my god, it's Whispers! Oh my gosh! Wait. I didn't even recognize the voice for a second, but now I get it. Look, go, this is Whisper. Wait, what song's playing? Yo, Fox Boy, let's go! Oh my god, I love Whispers so much. Whispers is really cool and stuff. Oh my god. I also got Lord done by me because the rogue wanted it. Oh my god. Me and my homies doing that, right? Yeah. Requested by Alfeem. Of course it was requested by Alfeem. Alfeem has such good taste in music. Holy shit. Yeah. Awu. I know. Yes, Awu. Sounds weird, but it's true. Oh my god, bro. I'm in love with a fox boy on the internet. Weird, but it's true. Value. This song sounds fitting? Maybe, perhaps. I'm not sure. I don't know. Brain small, fox brain iffy, right? But you know, it happens. Love the strobe lights on your harness? Yeah, and I feel it goes vibes with the music, right? Zale, thank you. It is very bright though, I don't know. Let's go, you got it? Nice. It says song in the name. It happens. It's gonna come up later, don't worry, it's fine. You let the Fox Lady puts up with you nerding out on D&D? Yes! Yes, always. I mean, okay, listen. like literally everyone else, yo, I support nerd shit so hard, okay? Like literally, nerd shit is the best. It's fucking amazing. I do like a lot of D&D myself, but like it happens. Do I have a Discord somewhere? Yeah, Esvin, it's !Discord or inside the description for the stream. It's the Summoning Fox first. It's not. I'm going blank on which Foxverse it is. There's a few Foxverses, okay. The Unlimited Foxverse. You see it? Perfect. Excellent. Bro, you don't understand D&D now? It happens, it happens. No, D&D is just really fun because it's a kind of game you can just play with your friends and like, you can just make it up as you go, you know? Like, of course someone's probably gonna pre-plan ahead of time, but at the same time, you know, it's something you can just hang out, play a character, and just, you know, spend a lot of time because, you know, you can just last a long time in D&D and it's really fun. Yeah. There's one thing we all in common is that is being part of the fandom.
Instead of having an ass to risk, have a glass of water instead.
Have a glass of water instead. Okay, Maritzi, I got you. If I can find the water. Never mind, I dropped it again. It happens. You didn't like the D&D movie? It seemed rushed to you? And I enjoyed it. It had a lot of really good references if you like actually enjoy D&D and stuff, but it happens. Teach their own, right? For the furry fandom, and to before it happens. But yeah, around these parts, we try and stay hydrated together. It's important that you guys stay happy and healthy, as myself. I got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking, so feel free to join along, and feel free to have a good day. Bye. God, Ben. Thank you very much for popping by. Hope you have a great, I guess, morning or evening, whereabouts you are, but let's go ahead and take a sip. It's happened to me so many times. You keep your emotions hidden, but thanks to you and Skyster, I'm happy. And I can no longer hide your feelings. So excited to type that, but you had to do something. No worries, Vaughn. Hey, it happens. Take your time and do your things. You do you, right? You once did a D&D campaign. Your character was a Dragon Wolf hybrid that was a sorcerer rogue bard, and the character was OP as fuck? Oh my gosh. Value, that's awesome. How is that to play, though? Well... You know, their Dick's Moments is the same fucking video and song. It happens. Are you trying to add the same song again? Because that's like... It's kind of sus. Darn it, yeah. You're out of drinks and you're too drunk to move? Then get some rest. It's the perfect time for that then, Derpy Dragon. 6:43 a.m. for you? Ah, I got you, I got you. Yeah, 7:43 for me. Eastern gang. Ayo. Sounds fun, to be honest. Yeah. It was amazing. Got you, got you. Another ridiculous. Yeah, if it's the same one from like earlier, that's kind of sus. Playing another song again, bro. It happens, but yeah. Good song. You rolled a nat 20 to get the extra class? Ah, I got you. Value, value. Spy de Justa? Ah, I got you. This is the one that sounds like I'm Blue, right? Yeah. 4:43 p.m. for you? Ah, I got you. And 9:44 for you? Yeah, I got you. So probably pretty similar for Flex as well. Have to start heading out, Volby. Have an amazing stream and day. Take care. Absolutely, Ritzy. Stay safe and enjoy yourself, okay? Have a great time. Hell, you're back? Welcome back, Vielveg. Hello, hello, howdy. Welcome back. At night, yeah. Well, you're so sexy, Vaughn. It's all you, don't worry. Ritzy, love you so much. Stay safe and hang tight, okay? I'll see you sometime soon. Yeah. I'm good, yeah. I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'm gonna have the best fucking night of my life. I'm good, yeah. I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. Yeah. Will gives comfy vibes which are the best kind. Nice. And Ritzy, you are precious and valuable as well. Thank you so much. Just 1 hour difference? Cool. Yeah, because I lived in the East Coast for like 15 years, and now you're in the Midwest, closer to family reasons. Gotcha. I like hate the East Coast, but it happens. I'm here until I'm done with school and stuff, so once that's gone, we are just zooming, okay? You're in Australia. Yeah, Sexy Fox. All of you Odysseys right there. Hey, it happens, it happens. Good value though. Very cute blue cutie. Evan, you too. Good value. Me too. Oh my god, Eternal Gamer as well out in Australia. I mean, it makes sense for this time of streaming, right? Because that means like everyone's like doing that kind of vibe, right? So everyone can join in the horny. Hello everyone, I'm King Maxwell, but you can call me King or Maxwell or 007. I'm a huge pro wrestling fan. I have to start training soon. You're a wrestling historian, so any questions, just ask. I also love video games, psychology comics, Hev 1, IndyCar, etc. Got ADHD, autism, anxiety, so sorry if I'm a little slow catch up. Give me a bit. I'll go by all genders, just ask. Because it depends on your mood day. You're in gay Puerto Rican from Chicago who wants to chill and have fun. Can't wait to meet y'all. Well, King, welcome, welcome. Hope you have a great time and enjoy yourself. Good luck with your training today, alright? Aussie gang, yeah. Oh my god, we just need like Azura Jaya here as well, you know? They're really cute. And also Australian. I have my stream on VR Bag because I'm watching you. Ah, it happens, it happens. Wait, your stream's on BR Bag? B-Fix? Weird. Whatever. Nice to meet you too, King, yeah. Fellow Puerto Rican, yeah. Let's go fucking do your stream. Yeah, Flix, go do your stream, okay? Don't worry. And give a shout out to Flix if you can. We'll go for it, yeah. Azura J is freaking adorable. Yeah, okay. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, we're gonna get Flix a shout out. I'm not sure. I haven't seen their stream before, but they seem like a cool person. So we'll just quickly pop them a shout out. That's a weird clip, but no worries. Okay. When that's over. And there's Azura J. Oh my god. So Azura's voice is like really cute and stuff, and like cute ass femboy or some shit. But yeah, gotta get them a shout out because they are awesome and also Australian, so that kind of fits the vibe right now. But you know, yeah. Is there a song queue command? To see the queue, I'm not sure. Probably is. I can't check right now, but like I'll look later. It's fine. Maybe like exclamation point Q or something. I don't know. Gonna watch this? AO? Yeah. Thanks for the shout? Of course, yeah. And thanks for the raid earlier or something. Love your model, by the way. Very cute. King, thank you. Value. Yeah, I didn't choose to be this way. It happens. Surprising amount of Aussies that are femboys. True. But like, I feel like that goes with the Australian way of things, you know? Everyone's pretty femme there, you know? It happens. Most people, at least. Quite a few. Not doing your stream because you met the sexiest fucking fox in the world. Nice value. You're in Australia as well? Oh my god. So Wolf's there as well. Okay, so literally everyone's Australian here. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. You guys in your Australia, right? Like, fantastic. Deadly Animals, Femboys, a wonderful combo. Exactly. I think it's 5 now, actually. Derpy. Y'all are cool and stuff, so don't worry. It's great, it's great. It's great reaching far and wide, you know, and saying hi to people. Oh, you need 84 more followers? Make that 83? Bro, King, thank you for the follow as well. Yeah, I probably said this earlier, but howdy howdy again. I'm Volby and Tescal Twisters. Bro, nice. Thank you for the follow as well. Howdy howdy, I'm Volby. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are y'all doing today? Yo, Alfine, welcome back.
Oh my god, it's hydration time.
Nice. Alfine, thank you so much for the Whisper song. That was brilliant. I'm really happy that was on the queue. Before we finish up, you know? I love Whispers so much. Doing great, just got done with some studying. Nice, fantastic. Yeah, I gotta do that soon, so it's gonna be fun. Alrighty, around these parts, it's important that we stay hydrated together, because it's important that you guys stay as happy and healthy as myself. I got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking, so feel free to tag along and let me know. Let's go ahead. Why'd nobody tell me Australia was where all the femboys are before I immigrated to Canada? It happens. I'm in Canada, so we're cool like that, you know? Canada gang. Perfect. Not gonna lie, I'm submissive wall. And you're American? Gotcha, Vaughn. So I guess they're everywhere, but Australia definitely has a high percentage, you know? Thought you liked it? Also, you danced to the caramel dance then? I did. It happens, Alfie. Caramel dance. Yep. The song gone through yet? Perhaps, maybe not. Not quite sure. We'll see. So we're gonna find a chi femboy wall. Ayo, chi. Years of visible switch, like your girlfriend thought you're very dominant. Ah, I got you. Yeah, you know, sub top. Ayo, let's go. I requested keep riding me by your queue. Yeah, that's a long way down, I think. It happens. Yeah, I'm not even sure if it's going to reach there at some point because we are going to be ending off at some point soon, I think. Because I do have to get to doing, like, work as well, so. You're also a femboy, rar, ooh, oh my god, wolf. Okay, yeah, proving my point, exactly. Feel weird asking, but you're curious what province I'm in? I'm Eastern, so that should tell you most of it, because I am speaking English. Mais je peux parler français, comme, si tu veux. Parce que j'ai petit ton... Oh, le calice. C'est le merde de ton. Get to it soon? Yeah, surely. This chat's full of femboys, I love it. It happens. Femboys seeking femboys. You know a bit of French as well? Et tu peux comprendre toujours mon français? Parce que je peux parler français très bien, je pense, mais non, beaucoup de mes amis habitent au Québec et sur le nord du Québec c'est aussi. Comme ils ont un accent dense, je pense. C'est le mot. Don't talk much, yeah. Oh, you're told you're submissive, but I think that's because you don't talk much? Gotcha. Well, yeah. Dame, bro, yelling. Ayo. Hey, Dame. Howdy, how's it going today? Gonna chill here more often? Nice, excellent. Your most masculine femboy wall? Hey, let's go, boys. Hell, my dog is on me, bro. Bruh.
It was this blind man, right? He was feeling his way down the street with this stick, right? Yeah. Hey, he walked past this fish market, you know what I'm saying?
Because I need to be here with more of my people? Gotcha. And you're not a femboy? Ah, it happens. Derpy.
Good morning, ladies.
Femboys, yeah.
You like that shit, man?
You're reverse top, so yeah, well, gotcha. Could you imagine being a femboy? I would never. Yeah, Alfie, you'd never. You fucking stinky ass kitty. Pretending they're not a femboy. Hey, you're a really good boy, Alfim. You could go places with that cute ass of yours.
As the marijuana burn, we can take our turn singing them dirty rap songs. Stop and hit the ball like Cheech and Chong and sell tapes from here to Hong Kong. So roll, roll, roll my joint. Pick out the seeds and stems.
You're the opposite femboy, you think? Yeah, Center. You're big, cool white bear. Nice. Very awesome. Fantastic. Hey Zero, hello, howdy. How's it going today? Can I get a shout out for Zero? If anyone's still here, otherwise I'll do it myself. Don't worry. I don't think anyone else is here, so. How do we put song requests? Exclamation point SR, and then the YouTube link. Bears loves it, right? Yeah, exactly. Bears aren't Twinkie, right? By definition. More fem, not gonna lie. Nice, excellent. Thank you, Pim. Alfim's a stinky little fem cat. Ayo. Exactly. I agree with Yuru very much. Yuru has all of the correct information. I appreciate Yuru so much. Yeah. Cute ass so we can get into some action. Cute ass. I think my ass is cute. I think it's pretty thick ass, you know? You just woke up? Well, good morning, Zero. Hello, howdy. How's your day going today? It was really fun playing with you yesterday, you and Alfim. It was great. And can it be Spanish? Go for it if you'd like. As long as it's something that's not gonna be too against TOS, you know? Because it's important that we like sit things proper. You're definitely not a twink, you're built like a square. Ayo. So if I say be there or be square, you're not round enough to have like that rolling with the vibes, right? It's kind of unfortunate. Unlucky, Center. It's going, that's a fact. Let's go. You're like a circle of a chubby vlogs. Nice. It's going, there's a fact. Yeah, it's not. Don't believe Volpe's a femboy. We'll need proof. Yeah, you definitely will need some proof. Hey. Hey. Yeah, I don't know, like I don't think I give enough femboy. Maybe a bit, but like I think it's mostly the clothes I wear that are doing the speaking instead of, you know, myself. Because you guys hear how I speak. And the types of tittling manner I go into. Perhaps maybe a bit. I'm not sure I really meet the definition of femboy, but I do have a skirt, crop top, arm warmers, thigh highs, and a lot of fishnet. Maybe not. I don't think so. Like, you know, you kind of have to do a lot more, right? Yep. Hi everyone. Hello James. Hello howdy. You're thicker, Ubu? My thighs are thicker. That is the Volpe guarantee. Probably. Oh my gosh, Zero. I hate it here. Oh shoot, I pulled something. It happens. Let me just like try and like raise my leg and just hang up here, you know? I bent like a bit too far. Join the Discord, cutie? Nice! Well, welcome. And repeat. No, you don't? Ah, it happens, it happens. Singing them dirty rap songs. Stop and hit the phone like Cheech and Chong. Hey, wait a minute, man. How do you request songs again? Exclamation point SR and then type the YouTube link. Just finished work? Yo, Pim, how was work today? You gotta finally go home and like probably either sleep or do art. That's awesome. Good luck and have fun. But 42069? Yeah. Nice. That's just normal. It's not anything like different, right? It happens. Hello, cute skin. Yo, Silver the Fur. Howdy, howdy. Welcome, welcome. Is this your first time chatting? Howdy, I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time tonight and staying wholesome with an ass to wrist. Thank you so much for the follow. How are you doing today? Thank you so much for popping by as well. Volpe, I'm very different at night. You can try to make blush later tonight on stream if you like. D? If you D? Yeah, I do, yep. I love Kingslayer so much. Hi, are you looking for the other side? Where nothing seems quite right. I was circling the drain from... What am I doing here? So high, there's no realities lie. Can't even do this. The knife in the belly of the monster. Fuck God. Someone got the Bring Me the Horizon on for you. Exactly, yeah. Aren't the strings off? Don't go crawling back, Kingslayer. Shining castles in the sky, Kingslayer. Sniper, I'm you until high bye. Yeah, we'll hydrate. Let's go. Find you. Wait, where'd my water go? Here it is. Damn, Dane taking out my clothes. Okay, I see you. I just fixed it, yeah. Feeling cute? Just ended your stream too? Go follow me for good luck. Yeah, exactly. Can I get a shout out for Silver the Fur? Thank you so much. Oh my God, my hair is like actually suffering. There we go. Alright, let's grab this water. So around these parts, we try and stay hydrated together. It's just important that you guys stay happy and healthy as myself. I got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you might be drinking, so feel free to join along. Let's go right ahead and tag along if you'd like. Yeah, no, get a shout out for Silver the Fur. Easy. I haven't seen their stream before, so I can't vouch for them, but at least, you know, we'll get that vibe out. Oh my God, he's so cute. Absolutely. Kingslayer is the best it is. Oh my God. Shining castles in the sky. Kingslayer. Forever on you. My apple in my eye, bro. What am I saying? I'm not even sure. Kingslayer. But yeah, Jesper Wolf. Hello, howdy. How's it going today? You're me from the future? Alright, Flex. How's the future looking? Hopefully it's looking pretty bright. I know the sun expands pretty soon, so like... really bright. You see that clip? Unfortunate. It happened, Silver. But you were just chatting? That's awesome. But we had a good time. Yoshi had my confidence? I don't know, it happens. I'm here having a good time and vibing, right? It was fine you took a break to shower because it was really hot outside. You even did some laundry, still finished early. Gotcha, gotcha. Nice, nice. Shut up, there's no time for that. I've got a tracker in my ass and you're the only person I trust to get it out. Now hurry. I mean, I could get my whole hand up there if you'd like, but if it's that deep, you and I both know how deep that goes. You're able to hit the female vocals when singing? Yeah, for me, like, I definitely go for like the more bass and baritone kind of vibe. Because I can do a pretty deep voice, I think. At least when I'm singing, you know? Wait. Let me just pause this for a second. Pull up. Let me just, like, go here. Let's quickly listen to this real quick. Alarm goes off at 7 and you start uptown. You put in your 8 hours for powers that have always been. Till it's 5 p.m. Then you go downtown, where the folks are broke. You go downtown, where your life's a joke. You go downtown, where you buy a token. You go home to Skid Row. Sorry. Yes, you go downtown, where the cabs don't stop. Downtown, where the food is slop. Downtown, where the hotheads flop in the snow. Down on Skid Row. Sorry. Gamer Wolf, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy. I'm Bulpy. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are y'all doing today? Those hots. And up, down you gator to a million whores. You disinfect the resos and the bathroom floors. Your job's a really pentio and make no bread. And then 5 o'clock you head my subway downtown, where the guys are trips. Downtown, where they rip your slips. Downtown, where the relationships are no go. Down on Skid Row. Down on Skid Row. Down on Skid Row. Down on Skid Row. Poor. All my life I've always been poor. I keep asking God what I'm for, and he tells me, gee, I'm not sure. Sweep that floor, kid. I started life as an orphan, a child of the streets. Skid Row. He took me in, gave me shelter, shed just of bread and a job. Treats me like dirt, calls me a slob, which I am. So I live downtown. That's your home address. You live downtown. When your life's a mess, you live downtown. Where profession's just status quo. Down on Skid Row, someone show me a way to get out of here. 'Cause I constantly pray I'll get out of here. Please won't somebody say I'll get out of here. Someone give me my shot or I'll rot here. Show me a way and I will, I'll get out of here. 'Cause I'm climbing uphill and get out of here. Random tell me I still could get out of here. Someone tell Lady Luck I'm stuck here. Just sure would be swell to get out of here. I bid the gutter farewell to get out of here. I'd move heaven and hell to get out of Skid. I don't know what I'd do to get out of Skid. But a hell of a lot to get out of Skid. People tell me there's not a way out of Skid, but believe I gotta get out of Skid Row. Sorry, I need to play that for a second. Let's put this back on. Hello, Wolfie, a pleasant morning to meet you. Nice to meet you, Gamer Wolf. Hello, howdy. Nice to meet you as well. Hope you're having a good time. Sorry if I was a bit distracted for a second. Is that a maid dress? It was, Flix. It happens. Have I seen the musical Repo the Genetic Opera? I have not, Espen. It happens. Gluttonous. So, what is your glutton? Meat, cookies, or perhaps pie? I mean, Sierra Calervo. Probably more towards, I'd say cake, perhaps. But welcome. This is your first time chatting. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? A lovely voice and a nice range. Yeah, exactly. It happens. It happens. I try. It takes practice, but you know, you kind of get into the flow of it and you get used to like being able to practice the entire range. Like why that caught in your eye too? Hey yo. Wish I had a good voice. Yeah, it happens. This is beautiful, Wolfie. Thank you, Wolf. It happens. Pop. Oop. There it is. Quickly, we gotta go hide this somewhere. Shut up, someone asked. Alright, bye. Yeah, no worries, Flicks. Enjoy the future, okay? Have a good time. Harness time, AO. Excellent. Follow Volby for fluffy tail. Yeah, exactly, Streamelons. You better follow me, bro. Let's go. Funny part is that Volpe doesn't even need to sing. His voice is already music to my ears. Bro, shut up, Volpe. It happens. I'm just a fox, okay? It happens. Just saw you in the recommendations, decided to drop by, and I'm glad I did. Nice! Well, welcome, gamer. You're a cool wolf or something, I guess. But, awesome. Great having you here. Cake A? Well, that raises a question. Cheesecake? Whipped cream frosting? Sponge cake? Chocolate filling? Or is all cake good? I'd say we go for, like, lemon frosted. Could be fun. Nice and sour. Plenty of sweetness. Pretty good. Really good. Shut up, it happens. Just a fox? Uh-huh. Yeah, exactly. Dorkosaurus, howdy. This is your first time chatting. Hello, howdy. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Thanks for the warm welcome, and glad I can join you when you sing. Glad to hear your voice and the range. Yes, value. I'm a fox of good taste. Absolutely. Goals. I guess this like goes along with like the key lime vibe, you know? But pretty cool. Oh wait, really, lol? Yeah. You've been following for a bit? Damn. And only chatting now. That's awesome. That's awesome seeing ya. Welcome back. I'll get back to streaming Sexy Fox, but I'm probably gonna give you a shout out for the shout out you gave me. Nice, Flex. Thank you. Value. Always. Been following for a bit. Nice. Yeah. Sorry. Brain Fox. Yes. Lemon frosted cake. Yeah. It happens. Alpheme's been following for 1 month, 25 days, 5 hours. Whoa, it's almost been 2 months, Alpheme. Wow. I remember when you first came by, like. You had like, who was it? It was Yuru and someone else saying like, oh my god, guy, Volpe, Alpheme really likes you or something. I was like, oh, do they? What am I listening to? Fox brain, yeah. Did you know I'm a Wolf X Fox hybrid, so that makes us cousins? Yo, Silver. Cousin gang, yo, let's go. Darcy's spelled it wrong. I can't even listen. Bro, what the hell is playing? Bro. Such a short time. Yeah, it happens. Of course he spelled it wrong. It happens. Alpheme's is such a big bottom. Ayo, true? Yo, is that... Bro. Boxing, let's go. Wait, I'm trying to click on this. I want to see this. Oh my god, it is 12s. It is 12s. I'm deleting your messages. That's an accident. I'm sorry. That was a misclick. Don't worry. It's fine. I'm sorry. I messed up. Don't worry. It happens. License lender. It happens, all of you. I'm sorry, I accidentally deleted the messages. I didn't mean to delete them. I meant to unpin them. Don't worry, it's fine. I saw them. I read them. Okay, but that was a 12 emote. Damn, we all left 12. Dogs is stream. Shut up. Okay, it happens. My sex tape. How did that get out? Pim, it happens. Don't worry. Jamal as well. It's very funny to listen to. Yeah, I agree. Bro, what the fuck is that? Wolf, bro. Oh wow, yeah. Yo, hello, howdy. How's it going today? Welcome. Hope you're having a good day today, so far at least. Yeah. It happens. There's something still broken with your collar. Is there? Wait. I don't think there's anything wrong. Your name's not on it. Listen here, Alpine. Listen. The color I'm getting you is gonna have my name on it. Because who's Volpe's cute little kitty? Hmm? Sparkle harness? Yes. Pop. Oop, my tail. Oh, your butt plug fell out. Hang on. Yeah, no worries, Flex. Take your time. Take your time. Takes a little bit of time, but make sure it gets in deep, alright? You need to scream less, it seems. Ah, it happens, Pim. Bro, this song? Yeah, it happens. It happens. Good song. Good song. Yep. Oh, doing pretty good. How are you? I'm doing great, Yoj. I'm glad you can pop by. I'm glad you're doing well as well. It's awesome. Sorry, Bean, it happens. Don't worry, Wolf. Alvin gets always adequately called out for his bottom ways. Of course, of course. Thanks for the password, by the way. It looks pretty secure. Oh shit, yeah. It ain't you? Okay, okay. Shut, yeah. Yeah, it's the fat rat, let's go. Oh, yeah. Please get me a color with your name on it too. Okay, Flex, you want to join in? Yeah, I could probably make a nice little harem. Love you cuties. Maybe we could go on a group walk together, right? Discord kid? Oh, damn. Duncan Wolf, hello, howdy, welcome, welcome. How are you doing today? You may join as well, Silver? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start setting aside some money for all these colors, eh? Good thing I have got connections to purchase some really nice quality ones. Yes, I know. Fun, of course, yep. Hey, yeah, Alfie. Wolf, yeah, cutie. Do you think so? It happens. Well, I should go think about dinner. It was a pleasure discussing cake with you. Till next time, yeah, Seer. Stay safe, enjoy yourself, and have a great time. Is your color? Okay, Alfie. I mean, yours is coming first, and yours is gonna be extra deluxe, don't worry. You're a husky. Oh, gotcha. Duncan Wolf the husky. Kinda surreptitiously telling me you're deceitful, ayo? Exactly, one. But me join? Blushing hard as fuck? Maybe? Do you want to join? I can take all of y'all on. I've got great constitutions. Your fortitude better be just as high. Wait, which cake? Cake discussion. We were talking about what type of cake I like best, and I really like lemon frosted cake. That shit's broken. Skycer, you're cute, bro. Skycer, hello, howdy. How's it going today? How are you doing? I mean, haven't seen you since the beginning of the stream, but back to lurking lol. Did you have a good, like, quick nap or something? Damn, that was nice and quick. Can I get a shout out for Skycer real quick? Skycer is really cute and stuff, and awesome. Really good friend as well. Yeah, quick nap lol. Gotcha, gotcha. So Skycer, what you got going today? Anything cool? Hey, Skies. Skyseye. That shit's broken. Thank you, Pim. You know, Pim's giving a shout out to Skycer, but the clip's gone. It's active, so I guess like just no clip. Just work, nothing special. Gotcha, gotcha. I mean, for me, I definitely got like work and school and stuff, so it happens. Oh, there's a clip. Jeezer's event, nice, Danny, excellent. Skycer, love you, bro. What the fuck? Not funny. Did you get fucking zapped? Damn. Nice. There we go. Yeah. Okay, decide not to sleep yet? Ah, gotcha, Pim. Fair game. You know, speaking of, speaking of Pim deciding to sleep, speaking of him trying to sleep, not trying to sleep. Yeah, let's get another shout out for Pim right here. Oh my gosh. Pim really cool and stuff and awesome and like fantastic and really cool. Yeah, sorry Pim, it happens. Jeezer's spent? Ah, Danny, it happens. But hopefully you have a good time resting now that you like have a chance for that. Vicious Bride, you in that one? Oh gosh, this guy's hurt. I see. Never listened to the song so close. I always thought he was talking about he was saying low low instead of no. Ah, gotcha. Low 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 low. All time low. You're probably cute. Just keep it going. You're the best fox. Oh, thank you. Hell you. Yeah, hugs. Not that type of spin. It was more like, you know what? More or less you should, XT. Damn. I see, I see. Fair game. Well, you should definitely get some rest either way. Got a whole day of work coming up and am not feeling up to it right now. It happens, Aspen. Hey, just make sure that you face it head first. Keep up the good vibes because that is everything. Making sure that you feel good going through the entire day is kind of honestly the goal. You know? And here's your pretty for Derpy Dragon. Gosh, song, I wish. Yeah. Softly lie to me. It's a cool song, right, Vlogs? Yeah, this is Derpy Dragon's song, the one they were hoping that would come up, but it took a bit of time. Feel good at work? Is that thing even possible? It is, actually. Like, going with like good motivations can help turn the experience from being like pain and suffering and just having to go to being okay, reasonable. At least I can look forward to the time afterwards. Because the less of your energy that work takes from you, the more energetic you are in the evening, which means you have more time for yourself instead of just feeling like going to bed and like not thinking about anything else. schools. Yeah, I'm just finishing being horny, playing this song, shaking my head. Yeah, it happens, it happens. Why are you not in leash? Did you escape? I may adopt ya. You're so cute. Ah, I gotcha. Saving this song for later, AO.
Time to drink up. Tink tink.
Tink tink. Alright. Well, around these parts, we stay hydrated together. It's just as important that you guys stay happy and healthy as myself. I have some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking, so feel free to join along and tag in. Let me know what you're drinking, alright? Let's go right ahead, okay? Bobby, can I get some motivation to look at wrestling school to get through your daily stomach ache for today? And floor hockey, studying for AP Psych? You need a pump up? I mean, all I can give you is some fox luck. But you gotta take the charge yourself, you know? I know you can because, you know, you're just really cool and stuff. But it's important that, you know, you try and take care of yourself. All I can give you is that little bit of aid on the background, but you got this. You can face everything. Trust me. Sorry if that's a lot long. Nah, no, you got this. You got this. Shit. Didn't get any sleep last night, so less energy after work might not be a bad thing. I appreciate the good vibes. Yeah, absolutely, Espen. You're dumb. It happens, Enter. What happened? So much stuff to reinstall. Alfie, I understand. Reinstalling Windows and then having to like reinstall all of the subsidiary stuff is just like, it hurts a lot. It's painful. Helped a lot. Well, that's what you needed. Yeah. And you'll take care of things yourself, you know? On top of that. Offering Foxlow? Can you bless my coffee with Foxlow? You need a bit of something extra? I mean, you got your coffee on you? Because you can definitely try. Let's see here. Here, take some Fox Love into your coffee. Hopefully it tastes good. May smell a bit more like Volpe, but that shouldn't be too much of a problem. Living Tombstone, let's go. Be right back. Looks like a wrestling school in Quebec, you believe? Ah, I got you, I got you. Well, avez une bonne journée. Tu ne devais pas... Alors, tu ne devais pas... Vous ne devez pas... Yeah, vous ne devez pas... parler du français en Québec parce qu'ils font beaucoup de les francophones à côté de Montréal. Hey yo, Fox Love's in your coffee? That's a good way to start your morning. Nice, guys, sir. You got some Fox Love too? Is this French? Yeah, exactly. Sneaky, yeah, sneaky. Hello, howdy. Sneaky me parle d'anglais très bien parce qu'il est francophone aussi, je pense. Je pense qu'il est français, mais ben non. C'est trop difficile de parler de parler à. Je n'ai pas la langue bien. That happens. If you're learning French in school, but you make it sound cute, it happens. French gang. Yeah, I find like French is a really cool language to just know, but at the same time, like I'm not really gonna use it unless I'm talking to my Quebec friends or cousins and family. But then again, that's a lot of people, you know. I would like to learn more French, but at the same time, I don't really have the motivation to do like a course for it, so because I'd have to relearn a lot of stuff. So instead, I think like I might try and learn a different language at school or something. Who knows?
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're just cute in general, bro. Shut up, it happens. Skyster, thank you. You're precious and valuable, okay? Listen. Still gonna make you speak French just to hear that accent? Est-ce que m'accent de bien? Est-ce qu'il est mignon? Trop mignon, je pense? Yeah, merci. Je voudrais écouter de votre accent aussi. Should learn Swiss German? What's the difference between Swiss German and like regular German? Probably learn Japanese? I know a little bit, but Vaughn, I think like at that point, like I'd probably want to hurt myself if I was doing school for Japanese. Because I have to like take one more like non-math course at some point. And I feel like a language might be fun. But at the same time, if I'm Chinese or Japanese, like the pinyin or like having to use like Romanji for quite a long time would just make me not feel good vibes, you know? Especially when you have to change your script later on. French is a language after all, of course. Yeah. Le français est la langue de l'amour. Right? Is that the proper translation? Bro, look at my shoes. They're brand new. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Bro, that's so fire. Let's go, Flix. Yep, perfect. Thank you, Sneaky. I know my French. Don't worry. I can say French stuff without having to look anything up. Don't worry. By the way, Sneaky, have you we've been talking, like, I guess, has Cinder been there or something? Or what's been going on with that? Mac and oh my god. The drills I do, just Jesus. Let me show you what some of them are. Oh, damn. King, is it pretty intense? Swiss German is distinguished from Standard German by what's referred to as Helvetisms. Specific vocabulary, pronunciations, and syntax that are unique to Switzerland. The differences are significant enough that people from Germany need subtitles to understand Swiss German television. Oh, okay, gotcha. So it's sort of like having, like, I guess, mainly French Canadian versus, like, Quebecois French versus false French. That'd be pretty cool. You do band? Ah, I got you, Vaughn. You do the drums. Yo, nice. I used to do band for a long time myself. I play the clarinet, bass clarinet. I play the piano as well, and I've been trying to like learn the violin and cello, but I think the cello is more interesting because it better fits my fingers. Do I have a YouTube channel? If you do, I might go sub anyway. We can sometimes do collab video or something if you don't do content. Also, can I get your Discord? Or Vest, thanks for popping into our recommended page on Twitch. Yeah, no worries, Silver. So you can get to my Discord just down below. It's the Unlimited Foxverse. You can also do !Discord in chat if you'd like. However, on top of that, I do have a YouTube channel. It's VolbyFox on YouTube. I just added one short yesterday, and I got to make another one after the stream today, so it's gonna be pretty fun. Start with a warm-up, then you do like rope for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, 1,500 push-ups, 1,500 free squats, and 1,500 crunches. Yeah, seems pretty intense. You visited him in BC, going there again in 3 to 4 weeks. Oh my god, okay. 3 to 4 weeks. Make sure to say hi to Cinder for me. Oh my gosh, you guys are awesome, really cool and brilliant. I remember when you called him the tall one. Your body hurts looking at that? Yeah. You know this song? It makes me cry sometimes? Yeah. I'm glad you put it on because I really love Jackson Wang. What song is this? It's like LM something. LMLT? Oh, LMLY. Okay, perfect. Yeah. You have a YouTube and you didn't tell me? Shaking my head. I just put VODs on there on a like free upload schedule, and then I also like put my shorts on there when I get them, you know? I only have one like actual short because I didn't make the other one vertical. You're not gonna cry? No worries, Pim. Stay safe. Enjoy yourself, okay? Oh my gosh. Yeah, exactly. Benoodle, hello, howdy, and 45 people rating. Welcome, y'all rating. Howdy, I'm Volpy. Can I get a shout out for Benoodle? Yes. I'm here having a chill old time tonight and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thank you guys so much for popping by. How are y'all doing today? How tall am I? I'm about 6 foot. A bit taller than that, but that's just how it goes. Some rumors about your anus. I've heard that there's some crumbs in there. Lots of food crumbs. Can I have some? Bro, Flakes, what the hell? You're crazy. Hello there from the O5 Council. Welcome. I'm glad the O5 Council could pop by. God, bro. Echo, why? I'm so glad Echo VX2 is gone as well. Yeah. Thank you so much for the 5 subs. Yeah, bro, you don't have to do this shit. I'm just here having a good time hanging out with the boys. If I miss anyone's message, by the way, feel free to resend it. I'm gonna probably miss it for a little bit. But wow, oh my god, Giant, yeah. Y'all are crazy. And Otter Ooh Woo, thank you so much for the follow as well. Howdy, I'm Volpy. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by, y'all. How are y'all doing today? Tower me, bestie. Yeah, it happens, Fim. How am I, Volpy? I'm doing great. Noodle, how about you? Imagine being tall, bro. It happens. I want to be short, but like I can't fight it, you know? Maybe I should get like surgery to like shorten myself. It happens. Wolf Merp, yes. Giant, it happens. Where's your son? It happens. 6 foot giant, bro. You don't even know the half of it. It's like too tall, bro. The center's like 6'7" or something, and they're like, they're big. They're really cool. Always a stinky beanwall, bro. Brandon, don't do me like that. You're 6'5"? Oh my god, that's nice. Tall people are like really cool or something. Thinking about a watch, but it's missing parts. I'm debating if I still want it. I mean, if you're interested in it, go for it. It should be pretty reasonable. Moist Dragon Queen, by the way, thank you so much for the follow as well. I did my shield and stuff, but like, yes, I don't want to fall behind, but thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing? You're 6'4". Well, oh my god, you guys are all so tall, bro.
Yes, everyone.
You're like 5'11". Nice, King. You put too many zeros. Oh, it happens, Fim. No worries. And hello, Volpy. Noi, hello, howdy. How's it going today? Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna catch up real quick. O5 Command, yes. You guys from the SCP Foundation are always cool and stuff. And you're 5'3", Garden Gnome. Oh my god, Alfim. Yeah, of course you're kidding. Makes sense. More love to the cute fox. Shut up, it happens, bro. Espen, thank you for the 10 bits, but you never have to do this shit. Like, you're really cool and awesome and stuff and great. Hopefully Pim's not crying too hard, maybe. Well, can we swap? You're 5'1". Yes, Pim, let's swap heights. Oh my god, that would be really cool. Let's do it. And you're 5'10", Flicks? Nice. Going good. Also 6 foot. Hey, yo, let's go. Who won the wipes? This is bedtime, lol. Hey, yo, let's go. Rip these pants off. Where's Hot out? Bass. Good, how are you? I'm doing fantastic. It's nice seeing you and having you by. Welcome back. Oh, it's been a while. You're dead tired? Oh my god, Vanidal. Did you have a good stream though? How was it? What were you up to? 6'2", Chew? Wow. So tall. With the foundation are very nice. Yeah, I'm an anomaly, but like, you know, you guys are taking good care of me as you have specific containment procedures. It happens, don't worry. I'm well contained. My last interview went really well, so they let me have a bit of a longer leash. You're 175 centimeters? Nice, that's fantastic. Yeah, I need to like get better at using like centimeters, because like I should be using metric for my height, but I'm not, and I don't understand why. You like 7 foot because I'm super top. Nice. You're redacted? Nice to meet you, redacted. Nice to meet you. Yeah, got you. Yeah, 5'8", gotcha.
Very interesting.
Yeah, good to see you too. Nice. Don't have your file? You're on the council. Should have access to it, unless maybe someone's keeping it hidden from you. Could be pretty interesting. You. And Hypershot 2021, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, I'm Volpy. We're here having a chill old time tonight and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? You're 052? Nice. Wait, did 052 get replaced recently? Makes sense, though. Ask Kevin Hart how to get his height. Okay, got you. You think you're in a room of giants? Damn. All these people are so tall. They're all femboys. Damn. Why are all the tallest people femboys or some shit? I don't know. Although Center's not femboy. Center's big uwu bear. It's in your clearance. Then maybe you can check out my file. Maybe you can read it. Read it to us. Who knows? You know this song? Yes. Oh no, you got copyright strikes for no reason. What should you do? Just mute the audio. That's tends to be how it goes. Copyright strikes, like, they shouldn't happen until, like, there's a big issue, but the important thing is that you want to be muting, like, a lot of the musical audio that could potentially be copyright strike. Because, what's it called? People can use bots to profile videos, and it's just, people do that. It happens. You don't know? Gotcha. 052 was caught doing naughty things with 999. Oh my god. Bro, what were you doing with SCP-999? Oh, that 052. Gotcha. So that's what you took his place. Okay, makes sense. Darn it, yeah. Don't mind me being silent. I'm dancing, living to ordinary life. Yeah, I got you. No worries. Enjoy it. El día de mi suerte. I don't even know how to pronounce in Spanish. I just put a French accent on that. I just mute all music on my only my voice. Ah, nice. Yeah, Alfie. That's a pretty good way to go about it. Yeah, I kind of just like mute freely, and I don't worry about it, but it happens. You have over 20 cover instances per stream once, and you forgot to turn off the audio channel for the VOD. Ah, got you. Ahora me encuentro aquí en mi soledad pensando que de mi vida será. No tengo sitio donde regresar y tampoco me quiero ocupar. I only understood like 7 words in that. But there's future tense in there, and that's what I understand. As it appeared to be your anomalous ability of being too cute. Do I need to apologize? It is anomalous, so I don't have any control over it. About to jump in there and read that properly? Oh my god, Pim. Pim, don't do it! It's a trap! You're gonna become Spanish or something for a few days. You're obsessed with your voice? Can we VC soon? I mean, I myself don't really do too much VCing, like solo one-on-one stuff, but if I do a community night, feel free to join in, you know? Oh, it was lyrics law? Gotcha. It's like SPO96. Oh my god, bro. The common ones, AO. You speak Spanish. I know, Pim, but you're gonna become Spanish for a few days, and it's gonna be like, oh, damn, Pim's Spanish for now, I guess. Spanish with those huckleberries or something. XD, yeah. We need to put a bag over your cuteness? No, you don't. Trust me, I've been given more reign to do more free stuff after my last interview. Don't worry, we're good. Wanted to learn trumpet to play this song? Oh, really? Gotcha. I mean, trumpet's not too bad to learn. It's just, it takes a lot out of you if you're not used to buzzing your lips, you know? Have you met SCP-049? Myself, not really, but I heard they're pretty nice. They're pretty cool. I heard they take care of people. Nicely, of course. I'll save points till I have 800. Yeah, boy. Nice silver. I've been converted, y'all. I guess. Hey, it happens, King. Well, welcome. You need to add an epic sax song? I don't think I got too much long. Yeah, the Plague Doctor. They treat people very nicely. They know a lot about medicine. Now, I know their touch can be perhaps a little problematic, but it's all in the name of research, right? I just feel like everyone's more musically inclined than you. It happens, Espen. It always just takes time to practice. Like, music is one of the things where it takes a while to, you know, get your form proper and figure out how to, like, get an instrument going well. You know? some people maybe savant like, but they still need to learn the basics to actually be able to move their fingers or breathe properly in order to play their instruments. So it just takes a lot of time. Just practice. Thank you for the hug, Wolf, though. You're a really, really good boy. Oh my god, we got Africa? Let's go. Does he expect to, so you do more music with the computer? Gotcha, gotcha. Thank you, Center. Gonna send the red right hand to get some cake. Alright, got you. Well, good luck, alright? Better be lemon frosted. Might play the drums soon? Nice, yes. I hear the drums echoing tonight. There's only whispers of some solitary guy. Oh wait, shouldn't. Oh my god, I messed up the lyrics. Bro, what am I doing? I'm bad. I'm a fake fan. Coming in 12:30 flight. Open the precious flowers that guide you towards salvation. Not a drum, snare drum. Okay, gotcha. You know what's on the way. Hoping to find some long forgotten words or ancient melodies. Told to me as if to say, Joey boy, it's waiting there for you. Okay, the song's cuss. I mean, you can feel free, but nothing too slurry, okay? Take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. It's gonna take some time to do the things we never had. having enough funding to make sure I can spread the wholesome vibes for all my time instead of having to spend extra time doing like school and work and stuff. I can make sure I can put all of my time out to people. And then I think the other wish is to hope that, you know, everyone can have an opportunity to feel alongside that and feel good. Those are 2 wishes. Pretty good. You thinkies. Yeah, of course. No, I got you. You would wish to be verified on Twitch, XT? Oh my god. I mean, it's not that far. It doesn't take too much effort. It's just like, you know, it takes a little bit of time just making sure you get to that point where, you know, you have enough people around, you can get to partner, and then from partner you can be verified. It's great. Wish personas to be real easy. Bro, it should have been my first wish. Bro, center. That happens. I'm an SCP? Yeah, it happens, Otter. Ooh, Damn. I found Finnish furry on your server that lives 500 meters away. Base, let's go. How are you just hearing this now? Did you forget all that's happened earlier? Are you on an endless cycle of forgetting? Ah, it happens, you know? Those are great and wholesome wishes. Yeah. But if I had a third, definitely personas to be real and for me to be a persona. I think that counts as 1 wish. Maybe all of you guys as well, if I'm feeling generous. So this song, yeah. It's fine, yeah. Very close to being a partner. My wish is to become true, yay. Ah, got you. Damn. It takes a lot of effort to get there, so like, I'll probably reach it at some point, but I'm not too worried, you know? It just like, takes a bit of time, right? Someone's going to get terminated. And it's not going to be me because no matter how hard the Foundation tries to destroy me, I always come back in the next timeline over. And I just keep coming back and resetting time. You can't get rid of me. This cuteness is forever. Trying out a game I haven't played yet. Rune Factory 4 Special. So far it seems interesting. Gotcha, what's that about? You're underrated, Poxo. It happens, Silver. How'd I like a promotion? Could be fun. I could probably pull that off, you know? Sounds exhausting. Yeah, it happens, but don't worry. Yes, I know that. You check store page since I'm not that far in, so not sure. Gotcha. Well, perfect. I'm hyped to hear about it. Surgery. Hi, I'm new here. Oh my god. GG Vong TV. Thank you so much for popping by. First time chatting, and you're new here. Howdy. I'm Bulby. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to wrist. Thanks so much for popping by. How are y'all doing today? Do I like chicken? Silver, I'm a fox. What do you think? And Daniel George 2477. Thank you for the follow as well. Howdy. I'm Bulby as well. We already heard this one. We're here having a chill time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. Same with you, GG Vong TV. And we'll hydrate, yeah. Long description, might take a bit to write, hope you don't mind. Don't write the whole thing, cut it down, and just give me the premise. Don't worry. Alright, so around these parts, we try and stay hydrated together. It's important that you guys are happy and healthy as myself. Got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you might be drinking, so feel free to join along and give a shout out to Artie Wolf. Let's go right ahead. Yourself ooh, chicken. It happens, yeah. And you're doing okay? Nice, that's great to hear, GG. GG. Vong TV, yeah, okay, good. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but hit me up with the proper pronunciation, I'll get it. Can I upgrade you to a Keter class scientist? Oh my god, really? Let's go. I can be a cool fox and also be a scientist. Does that mean I'll have freedom to like leave this containment zone? That's let's go. Yeah, I'll be the best scientist you could possibly imagine. I'll take care of things. I'll try and not make any problems, yeah. I can call you GG if I want to? Perfect, thank you, excellent. Yes, Discord your song again, nice one. Yeah, I'm doing this shout out. It seems like people are asleep, it happens, don't worry. And 12's here as well, oh my god. Yo, 12, how's the end of your stream? I didn't manage to stay until the end, but nice seeing you. How have you been? Let's pop Artie there. We'll give Artie the shout out real quick.
Hey, Mad.
The stinky wolf.
I'm moaning?
76A2? Okay, perfect. I got you. Out the features then. Also, know this MLB song? Okay, got you. Fair game. Song nice. And yeah, look at this fucking cutie. Bro, 12 is the fucking cutie here. Bro, it was popping. It was popping like your ass. And these nuts, bro. Nice. No, this song, nice, yes. I'm counting on it. Excellent. You just called me? Yeah, it happens. It happens already. And you know, I'm also gonna do, we're also gonna do this person because they deserve it as well. Don't worry, it's fine. Beside Dr. Bright. Oh, I can work with Dr. Bright! Oh my gosh. Wow. I gotta be cool like that. Let's go. Yeah, 12's here. This is like the fucking 112% boy. Because the top 1% isn't as good as the top 12%, ayo. Talking like that bussy, Lamau. Bro. Dimnet's popping harder than this bussy. What you just call me? I called you a stinky woofy, okay? You fucking stink, bro. Gotta go take a shower, okay? Like... yeah, you stink. Go take a shower, bro. Also, Ivan, yo, 12 seeing all of the cool people here. Yo, 12, can you believe that, like, Benoodle came here? Bro, I appreciate Benoodle so much. Dr. Bright's at it again with another one of his pranks, bro. Him and Dr. Otto keep. Oh my god, it's Clef. Dr. Clef, yeah. How is I thought they were, like, supposed to be separated. I thought they weren't allowed to, like, interact with one another. So it happens. Rune Factory, welcome to Selphia, a region ruled by a native dragon, and you. After falling from the sky, landing on the back of the friendly dragon, the young hero or heroine is invited to live in the castle, and as a newly distinguished rule, begins their life anew while developing the towns, exploring nearby dungeons, and cultivating the soil. Brilliant! Hope that isn't too long. Ah, it happens. No, that's perfect. Rune Factory sounds pretty good. Nice. Did he really? No wonder I had 2 times of your stinkiness up. Bro. Bro, I hate you, 12. I hate how you lurk in everyone's chat, because, like, that's my thing, okay? I'm supposed to be the only one who's, like, there in every single chat at once. Your boyfriend gave you belly loves and adds such a cutie? Oh my gosh, really? Damn. Lovely, what's my favorite food? And you should know that. Daniel, I'm gonna think about it. Give me 1 second. By the way, VRC Victory, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy. Wait, I know that name. Didn't you used to be like a streamer or something? Wait, hold up. Yeah, you used to like run a bunch of like a group or something or some shit. I don't know. But welcome. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Thank you for the follow. I'm Volpe. We're having a chill time today and staying wholesome with an ass to wrist. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I recognize you. You're the one who has who owns like all of the like teams in Twitch. Like literally, guys, if you like look at like probably half the furry groups, you'll see that they're literally all run by Victory. They haven't streamed for a while though, so I don't know. Yeah. LV, should I go get chicken or ramen for breakfast? Sneaky, go get ramen. That sounds pretty good, because you can probably get chicken in your ramen. And plus, you know, some noodles and stuff. Would be pretty nice. I think I'm gonna get ramen today myself. Yeah, they do stream, yeah. 3 chat scenes yesterday as Chaos went down well. Yeah, I got you. Do I have Discord? Yeah, just down below you'll see the Unlimited Fox first. You can feel free to join if you'd like. No reasons, but we are a pretty tight-knit community, so you can feel free to join along. A Floop and Bennyson, thank you guys both for the follows as well. Howdy, howdy, I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are y'all doing today? Yeah, I think favorite food-wise, it's probably gotta be, I really like sushi, or Korean barbecue. I mean, it's not really, it's a general genre of food, I guess, but like, I like having like a lot of like, I mean, I've been feeling a bit less towards sashimi, but I think like salmon nigiri is really nice, and I think that's probably one of my favorite foods. Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah, exactly, Sneaky, perfect. And how's my day? It's going great. How about yourself, Victory? Can I have some chickens? Don't tell anyone. Volpe, come with me. Okay, yeah, no worries. I'll help you out. I'm pretty effective at that. Oh my god, I'm still standing. Let's go. I was playing the, what's it called? The synth in this, during high school. That was pretty fun. Oh, cute, damn. Yours, Beyonce, you demand calling you, bro. And bro, you don't need to. Like sushi? That's my fave too, lol. Nice, no life, excellent. Hell yeah. I'm still standing out than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor. Living like a little kid. First of being shoving across the belly rubs and massages. He can use it to stretch away. Nice, King, let's go. Like to be friends with the otter? Perhaps, perhaps. Who knows? We'll have to meet each other at some point or some shit. That's how it goes for my friendship is. I need to know you at some point, and getting to that inner groove is like a lot of like things, you know. But yeah. What's your favorite fast food restaurant? I'll go for Mary Brown's probably. I really like Mary Brown's because like the chicken poppins and chicken sandwiches are really good. It's going, just about to go to bed though. Super tired? Well, nice. Thank you so much for popping by. Hope you're having a great time and enjoying yourself, you know? Guess what? What's up, Flex? Tell me everything. Chicken butt bro. Like something. Ben's your fiance. He's poking you. Damn. That's unluckers, but it happens. He'll send 5 gift subs. You call him cute. How can I call someone cute if they're really stinky and cute? Like, the stinkiness kind of like messes with it, you know? Like, there's like waves of like cuteness, and then there's like waves of stinkiness, and like they're amplifying at the right frequency to like make sure, like they're perfectly in tune in frequency, so that the stinkiness is amplifying the cuteness. So, I guess Victory might be cute, but like, it happens. The stinkiness helps. Who's making songs that will be live? Oh my god, Ben, bro. Thank you so much for the 5 gift subs. Bro, you didn't have to do that. No, I'm making jokes and stuff. We're here having a hangout time, you know? But I appreciate you so much. Tell a valid or something. Great. Tell you. Let's go. Just a little chicken. There's a lot of people that worry it happens. Things you like my... Bro, Artie, shut up. Speaking of stickiness, shut your teeth. Bryce the day, bro. And also, clean your ass when you're in the shower. Trust. It helps a lot. Especially at cons. Remember when you requested this song? Next songs be, you're not sure, number 2? Gotcha. And your wife got so tired of you going to the sushi restaurant for dinner, lol. Oh my god. Literally me, but like no wife. I just go for sushi so much, bro. Literally, my rotation of 3 restaurants goes this, okay? I normally eat every other day, okay? One day of the week, I make food myself. One day of the week, I go for sushi. One day of the week, I go for Korean barbecue, and then one day of the week I go for ramen. But the Korean barbecue place in my city is closed, and I'm so mad, and I literally just have to wait until it reopens so I can fix my cycle. Until then, I guess I'm just making food for myself twice a week, bro. Kinda cringe. You called him cute, bro. I keep my words, sir. I'm sorry, Ben, but like, you don't have to do anything. I said the stinkiness amplifies the cuteness, and they are perfectly in sync. It happens. Help you in a maid outfit? Yeah, thank you. Yes, when people don't clean their ass in the shower? Yeah, apparently some people don't. Some people think that like the water dripping down is enough to clean their ass and their like, what's it called? Their feet and stuff. It doesn't work that way. That's probably the main source of the reason why a lot of people stink. They smell like ass because they literally don't clean their ass. It happens. You said no way. Like said no wife. Oh my god, bro. And Mini VRC, thank you so much for the follow as well. Howdy, howdy. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Remember the funny story that happened during robotics and you don't know why? What happened, King? Tell me. Ban text, bro. It happens, it happens. Someone say smell like ass? Bro, what the hell is this emote? Sniffs, bro, Artie, you sniffing that ass? Bro.
Time to drink up. Tink tink.
Tink tink, let's drink up. I'm actually terrible, don't worry. So around these parts, we stay hydrated together. It's just as important that you guys stay happy and healthy as myself. Got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking, so feel free to tag along and join in. Let's go right ahead. Made up, but I can't. It happens, Vaughn, it happens. Let's go right ahead. Netflix. There's plenty of gift subs that go around here, so you'll get your chance at some point, don't worry. And otherwise, you know, you can feel free yourself if you're ever feeling the vibe, but, you know, subs aren't necessary to enjoy the time. I'm not going to give you any more, what's it called, attention if you're a sub or not. I got you. Can't be sad when you're on live? Yeah, it happens, it happens. And ginger beer, nice flicks, excellent. When it comes to sodas, what's your preferred soda? For me, it's Dr. Pepper. For me, if I'm having some pop, I'm probably want like Mountain Dew Baja Blast or something. That's pretty good, I think. I don't really drink too much carbonated stuff. It's mostly like seltzers if I'm having like drinks with some friends. Other than that, you know what happens. Beans Camel Kale Beam, I guess. Bro, if this is what you want. Gosh, cats only want one thing, and it's disgusting. Bean time. Yeah, Sneaky, you like this as well. I can't believe you. Step on me, I'll beam. Beam. Pull it back, don't worry, I got you. And Jonesy RPG, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy, I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time tonight and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? You like everything? Of course you do, Sneaky. So I appreciate you so much. You're great company, you know? But how about everyone else? What are your guys' favorite pops or sodas? You really drink anything other than water and coffee? Gotcha, Espen. I mean, I drink a lot of tea. I drink a lot of water, and yeah, that's most of me. Snaps pic of the sexiest beans alive. Oh my god, you're snapping pics, bro. I got you, Sneaky. We're gonna meet up at some point, okay? Soon. Nani, don't step on me, okay? Worries, Broken. Of course not. Broken. Tell you. Elvie, why are you so sexy? I'm just a fox, okay? It happens, don't worry. And you're great. Nice, Jonesy. Glad you're doing well. Fantastic. Sure, nice. Maybe I should pop by when I go over to Ottawa for like Canfor or something. Maybe I should go like the week after or something, just say hi or something. I don't know. Who knows? When you're busy building the robot, your team's captain's cousin, you believe, asked me what's a bang bot. Like, kid risking rude. That'd be the shittiest look, and the kid was so wondering if he's attempted to say, ask your father. He seems to know about it, but I didn't want to get my ass beat. I understand. Makes sense. Look, I kind of stinky those beans. Bro, my beans are exquisite, okay? I take showers all the time, and I make sure to lick my paws nice and clean afterwards. Nice and dry. Make sure that nice Volpe scent flows all over, you know? Yo guys, we're at 69 viewers. Let's go. Hey yo. 69, yo. You can do that for me? Oh, Alfim. I mean, your tongue probably has a pretty rough texture, but I'm not opposed. Yeah, I'll take you up on that, alright? 69's your favorite position? Hey, yo, let's fucking go, Vaughn. I mean, it's enjoyable for both people equally. It's great. Center. Center, bro. Full of stars. Number, oh my god, bro. Let me check this real quick. I think we're good. Yeah, we're probably good. Cause you're a sky, in the sky, full of stars. Yeah. You just want to see what it did? You got an answer, right? Congratulations. You just stream sometimes you're lazy though? Hey, it happens. You just get into the vibe of it and it just becomes easier and easier, you know? Sometimes you might have some days where like you're not feeling it and stuff, and that's perfectly fine. Take a break and take a rest. I don't have a set schedule because I feel like streaming when I feel like streaming, and you know, I know there's always gonna be nice people to hang out. That's awesome. Gonna die in your arms. Oh. Get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. There's no way because there's nobody to stream to. The first few streams were always pretty rough, but you know, it takes some time. For me, I think my first stream, the way I got through it, like for VR wise, like I streamed a lot for like doing WoW and stuff with some friends, and that was always fun because I didn't really need to worry too much about other people not being there because the content was my friends and I playing WoW. When I started doing VR on myself, I really only had like 1 or 2 viewers at a time. It was just people coming in and out and stuff. So how I got people hooked was we were just talking about, I just talked about like life, going to conventions, maybe some D&D stuff, and it all just meshed together into a nice little ball of, hey, that's fun. People can get off on pause. So there's an ocean of easy king content out there for them. Yeah, there's too many pause, aren't there? Actually, not enough pause. Velvy, it's so early. Yeah, I mean, look at the time. Look at the time on the stream. Like Princess, like it's fantastic. Let me give you a shout out real quick. I'm so happy that you like have that suit now because it looks so cute on you, Princess. Sky full of stars. There we go. Pause don't tickle me that way, but they're pretty fucking cute. They definitely are arty, but you know, little stinky woofs are very, very adorable. When they do their little, yeah, it hits pretty different, right? Yeah. Back, hi cuties. Hello, Try Kitsu. Welcome back. Thoughts on sparkling water? I myself don't drink sparkling water in preparation, or preferably to regular water. If I'm having something sparkling, I'd rather it not just be water, you know? Thank you. Of course, Princess, I got you. Hope we can see in person soon. Yes, soon. I wonder where we're gonna be together next, but I definitely want to spot it out when we do go somewhere. And Lindrin, howdy, how's it going? Welcome. How's your day going? Beans, yeah. Do a little what? I've never done anything like that. Yeah, you haven't. But when I come from behind, and come reaching my arm over your shoulders, reaching down towards your belly, and just give you a little rub there, I'll hear some little woofs coming out. His captain doesn't believe you're human. Alfim, it happens. You might not be human. You might be a cat. Who knows? Spicy water. 11:15 at night right now. Got you. Nice. 9:15 in the morning here. Gin and tonic isn't bad. Definitely. I find like it's not really my favorite type of drink, but at the same time, like, you know, my friend VOD made a really nice gin drink for me, and I think like I can probably vibe with it a little more. I just haven't really been invested too much, you know. Yes, yeah. You gotta go do some work. Any words of inspiration, Volpe? Center. Honestly, a big white bear such as yourself has got all of the enthusiasm in the world to do a great job, and you know, show them you're your worst. You can probably take on anything that comes your way, so you got this. Thank you so much for popping by, and have a great day, alright? Good luck with work. Phone number got hacked and can't verify with Twitch, so you can't join chats that require it. It happens. Unfortunate, but, you know, just gotta deal with it, I guess. Yeah, I just drink sparkling water. You found it better in your opinion? Gotcha, Chio. That's fair. I don't really like sparkling drinks in general, unless there's something specific about that sparkling drink that I have to have it sparkling in order to have that taste, you know? Yeah. Have I tried wasabi peas? Wasabi peas are pretty good. Nice and spicy, but very good vibe. Sparkling water is like static. Kind of nice feeling sometimes too, though. Gotcha. You're doing amazing. Just found out your significant other, and I pretty much didn't have one your whole life, and your life is 100 times better thanks to that. You know that feeling? Yeah. Yeah, it happens. It's a relieving feeling, but at the same time, you know, it's pretty intense. I haven't like felt it myself, but at the same time, I can definitely sympathize. Your voice sounds so perfect, though. Not gonna lie, Jonesy, it happens. Not intentionally, but I appreciate how I sound at least. You know, it takes a little bit of like. Eventually, you get to a point where like, you kind of don't really have anything to say about your voice. So obviously, like it fits nicely. You know, there's not really too much else you can say about it. Music vid for that song is so stupid in an amazing way. You definitely recommend it. Okay, perfect. Have yours is currently at an interesting number. Oh yeah, let's go. What ways did you keep viewer retention when starting out? Faux VR. Wait, let me quickly check this. This is your first time chatting first. First things first. Howdy, I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill time tonight and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are you doing today? And second, to answer your question, the way I kept viewer retention up, I mean, it's not really too much about having viewer retention. For me, it's like having people around is always nice to just hang out and stuff. And in the early days, it was really like unfortunate. Like I didn't really feel like streaming ever because like there wasn't anyone to like help me keep that social battery going. But in the beginning, I just told stories. I think that's the best way. I know Keat did the same thing, but basically the idea behind it is, you know, just talk about like types of conventions you do, talk about life, talk about things you're interested in, and overall just keep talking. And at some point, someone's gonna pop into chat, and you can just have a one-on-one conversation. They'll send messages, you talk back, and you just like chat together. And over time, more and more people will pop by, and you'll just talk about more things. You know. 9 viewers again, nice. That's how it was for you too. Didn't like gin for the longest time, then had one drink when it worked, and didn't mind it afterwards. Yeah, exactly. You probably got sim swapped. It's so scary how easy it is nowadays. That's kind of rough, but what can you do? Sorry, I didn't want to trigger any bad feelings. It happens, Lindrin. Don't worry. Although Silver, if you do ever need to, you should be able to contact your mobile provider and ask for changing the SIM card. There might be a small charge on it, but you'll be able to get a different phone number or something, and that'll usually help out. And thank you, Princess, for the harness. Want to hear a joke? Yeah, sure. Let's go for it. Have a wonderful stream, Volpe. Yo, Jax, you too. Oh my god. Jax, do you stream at all? I don't know if you do, but I'm still gonna give you a shout out because Jax, you're amazing. Yo, Jax. Howdy. How's it going? How's the shepherd? No, yeah, okay, good. Yeah, so Jax doesn't stream, it happens. But yo, Jax, hello, howdy, how are you doing today? Hello, I'm Fox. Hi, welcome back. I missed you. You've been gone. Bro, Jax, where have you been? Or you're no streamer, you just got a partner now? Ah, I got you. Oh, you got a partner, let's fucking go, yo. That's fantastic, I'm so happy for you, bro. That's great, that's brilliant. Well, good vibes. He's the fastest readers, and I love vibes. They went through 6 stories, and bro, that's pretty intense. That's a lot, bro. That's fucked up. But you know, it happens. But yeah, Jax. Oh my god. So Jax. Definitely gotta catch up at some point. I haven't like talked to you since that one like time we met up during 12 stream and talked a bit, and then like that we just didn't talk after that. I know you like went away from that group and stuff at some point, but like even then, like it's been a long time. Hope you're stuck on words. Something want to tell us? No, I don't think so. I just wanted to say hi to Jax because Jax is awesome. You wanted to say a dad joke, but never mind. Yeah, it happens. Still epic and adorable and an awesome streamer. You know this, right, bro? It happens. We're here to just hang out, and that's always a good vibe. And I'm just happy that like you're always, you know, supporting all of your good friends and stuff. And it's nice to be friends with you. Okay, it's nice being friends. Okay, yeah, Vaughn, it happens. Some people just have good friends. Although we've only talked like 2 or 3 times. You're just a chef. I'm just a fox. Okay, it happens. Give me a paw. Yeah, here, take a paw. Don't worry, it's fine. Yeah.
Rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poking my head, not fun. I said seagulls, stop it now.
When you fumble your words, it happens. I'm just a fox. You can't expect too much out of me, right? I'm just here to have a good time. Hi, Capital. Howdy. How's it going today? How's it going this morning? Might be evening for you. I don't know. I'm just here chilling in my Eastern time zone, right? Foxes are cooler than people think, though. Yeah, they are. Foxes are awesome. No, they're really cool. Moose the Floop, hello Cootie, how are you doing today? I'm doing great, how about you? It's also been a while since you came by. Hello Moose the Floop, how are you doing today? Hello Velpy Callie, hello, howdy. I saw you over in Cody's stream, yeah. Howdy, how's it going for you as well? I fell asleep because of I fell asleep during the diarrhea stream, it happens. Unfortunate. Great, it's morning. Almost 9:30 there? Gotcha. It's the same time zone, yeah, we're good. Your favorite type of fox is a Rex? Oh yeah. Rex gang. I can touch my nose. Callie is so cool, oh my god. I'm great, just woke up at 6:20. Nice. Well, good morning, Moose. welcome. Hope you're having a great morning. Gonna tell me anyway, what does a construction worker hear when they put a hard hat to their ear? The OSHA. Now that's a good one. Although that's an OSHA violation, they took their helmet off on a at the work site in a non-designated zone. They need to make sure they keep that on for their protection, okay? The what stream? Alpine. Wait, what stream was I talking about? Wait, what was I talking about? The diarrhea stream. Yeah, Cody's stream is diarrhea stream. Yeah, I'm gonna give a shout out to Cody. 1 second.
One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick.
They were playing Dark Souls last night. Cody's stream is diarrhea stream. Oh my god, he was playing WoW? Oh my god, bro.
Join me in my office, Agartha. Okay.
Bro, that's a WoW clip. Cody was doing a WoW. Nice.
You're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me in front of my friends.
Embarrassing Cody. Oh my god. I log at a child. Oh my god.
How dare you! I will punish you with 1,000 years of banjo!
Sorry, I'm getting really distracted by Cody. Cody's streams are really amazing, and I love watching Cody because, like, it's literally the best. It's awesome. Nikita, hello, howdy. How are you doing today? These are now forfeit.
You make my balls so blue. You hurt them badly. You make my balls so blue.
Bro, I'm just hearing what we're listening to now, bro. Oh, I collabed with a special someone with State of Decay 2 the other day. 5 hours of you two talking and having fun. Oh my god, Jax, who are you playing with? Did you have fun? How are foxes with medical equipment? Because I know dogs can't operate MRIs, but cats can. Along with that joke, though, you know, foxes are, what's it called? Cat software and dog hardware. So, I think the operation of it would be capable because they have the brain of a cat. So we're good. You're the best thing for me after my girlfriend left me, bro. Sad sus, bro. It happens, but like, you know, you always gotta like make sure you keep a look forward to the horizon and see for like new things, you know. Fancy collar, nice. Keep looking because you never know when they bump into your life. Yeah, exactly, Silver. Like, you just keep your eyes out and you reach someone that is perfect, and at that point, you being free from like everything else, you'll have that freedom to like just reach out and say, yeah, you're the right one. And you'll be completely free for yourself, staying true to yourself. Stay true, stay you, Silver. Yes, exactly. Jax got it. But Jax, so you collabed with this. Oh, that special someone, like the partner one. Okay, gotcha. Back. And whisper in your fox ears if you want to know. Thank you. Alright. This is gonna be the last song. Let's make it a good one. Titanium's a really good song. Good one, yeah. Request denied. Yeah, it happens. Best song, absolutely. It's a good one to end off on, and I'm really happy it was at the end of the queue. The council requires 10 more songs. Nah, princess, it happens. Came when you were born? Gotcha. Shillelagh. Nothing to lose, far away, ricochet, you take me away, far away, you shoot me down, but I won't fall, I'm titanium. Yeah. I think those ears you could whisper in the tunnel of Nevada, and Volpe would still hear you. Yeah, they're pretty big, I guess, but yeah. But yeah, Jack's Whisper, of course, yeah. Why would you do this for fun? Message deleted? Oh my god, I hate you. I actually hate you, bro. You forgot to do message deleted. You love me? I hate you so much, Jax. I hate you so much. Come here, okay, you know, just serve some pets, okay? But bro, cute sheps, cute sheps. Message deleted by operator, damn. Yeah. Hey, Jax, you're a really good boy, okay? Don't let anything change you, okay? You got this shit. You got your shit together and everything is falling into place. And I'm so proud of you. So proud of you. Thank you. Message deleted my mod, bro. You start a fire. It happens, Jax. Don't worry. Message me moderate, bro. Yeah.
Since you're winding down the stream, I'm going to get ready for work. Thanks for the much-needed dose of cuteness this morning.
Yo, of course, Espen. Always. I'm here to support you in whatever ways possible. So thank you so much for popping by and, you know, coming to hang out with me. It's been a great time seeing you, and make sure you stay safe, alright? Ciao, ciao. Have a good time at work, and good luck. These are banned for breaking TOS? Damn. I can't believe you, Jax. Why would you break TOS? It's infallible.
Message deleted by moderator.
Bro. That's thank you for the 10 bits, but message deleted by moderator. Damn. EP Hydro, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time today and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Okay, shit. Guys, one second. I'm gonna be right back. You entirely and integrally, okay? I got you. I got your ass.
Oh my god, it's hydration time.
Nice. You can always get places where you embarrass yourself in poker. Gotcha. Nice. All right, let's grab some
Cute
water.
fox. Good fox.
Hey, y'all.
Hope you have a lovely day and keep being such a big happy ball of flu.
Together, because it's important that you guys are as happy and healthy as myself. I got some water here today, but I'm always curious what you guys might be drinking, so feel free to join along. Fuck, can't. Hey, it happens. We can all uwu together. Yes. Oh, yeah, let's uwu together. Uwu. Okay. Let's go right ahead. Hey, Justin, because you're here right now, you heard that voice clip of, oh my god, it's hydration time, from Rusty, okay? It's towards rating party achievement, so that is perfectly valid. But let's get this shout out going. Alright, there we go. Sorry, I had to quickly feed my cat. Don't mind me. Alright, so, let's put this on real quick. But yeah, Duke from Rez, thank you so much for the follow as well. Howdy, howdy, I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill old time tonight and staying wholesome with an ass to risk. Thanks so much for popping by. How are y'all doing today? True to cute box, good pops. Hope you have a wonderful day and keep being happy, ball of blue. Thank you, Yuru. You're fantastic and stuff and everything. You're great. Do I have a Twitter? Yes. Hydration. Or Hydrayeen, yes. My Twitter is also VolpeFox, I believe. If not, it's Volpus Corsac, but you'll be able to find me as Kaita and Volpe on Twitter. I don't know if I have my links linked down below, but it could be there, potentially. Thanks for the food. Yeah, of course, Alfim. Stay safe, enjoy yourself, and ciao ciao. Alright. You have a gift for me? Alright. I'm excited. Let me just put onto the end stream sound, because this is about it. Oh my gosh, Jax, thank you so much for the 2 subs as well. Value, you're amazing. You got links now? I've had links probably, but yeah, Jax, I appreciate you so much, and I appreciate where you are and where you're going, and I'm really excited for you. Congratulations. For everyone else though, you know. Oh my god, hi, yeah. Well, thank you for the tier 1 sub to Alfim. Alfim sub now, bro. You're new? Well, Foxboy, the boy, thank you so much for popping by. You're new, first time chatting. We're just heading out now. King Bobby the 2 as well. Thank you guys so much for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Howdy, howdy. I'm Volpe. We're here having a chill time and heading off, but we'll be around sometime soon, alright? Thank you guys so much for popping by and have a great time, alright? But yeah, and thank you for the follow as well, Foxboy the boy. I'm doing great, yeah. But it's been an amazing time today. We had some really good vibes. We've had some nice relaxing times. Sneaky, hope you have a great day as well. Can't wait to see you sometime soon. Almost train time? No trains. Not today, never. No, impossible. But it's been an amazing time meeting you guys. There's a lot of new people around here, and I'm glad we could have such a good time. For now, I'm gonna be signing off and getting on with my day. My gosh, you're up so late. Cody! Bro, 1 second. Bro, Cody, I'm just ending off now, but, yeah, we talked about you and you got shouted out or something. It happens. We're talking about the diarrhea stream. It happens. Oh my god, Cody, hi, hello. You're really cool. Yeah. But for now, we're going to be passing it on to someone else. I'll send a, what's it called, raid message to y'all, and you can feel free to pop by and stay for some extra tales. Otherwise, have an excellent day and enjoy yourself. Stephen the Fox, thank you for the follow as well. You're just some dog. It happens, Cody. But we're just hanging out now, Stephen. But thank you so much for popping by. Have a great night. You have someone to raid? They just started? Well, send it in chat and I'll quickly take a look at them, alright? I got a bit of time.